Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは運命でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
The memes are real, right? What is a meme if it is not repeated hundreds of millions of times, right? Sarcasm detector, right? I mean, now this should be. I mean, this can become lore very easily here. I mean, yeah, you were first one, and it made you uncomfortable. Well, I mean, actually, I mean, if you know, in Japan we have these things which is called majires. Majires stands for, I mean, it's an abbreviation term, because in Japan we have a lot of abbreviation terms. For instance, instead of saying McDonaldo, which is, I mean, McDonald's, we say Macdo. We say Macme, or for instance, instead of Mr. Donuts is probably the most easy. Instead of saying Mr. Donuts, in Japanese would be Mr. Donuts, we say Misto, okay? And then there is these things that is called majires. And majires is the abbreviation of majimena response, which means responding to a joke in a serious way. So, I mean, basically skipping the joke completely and answering back like if that was a serious question. So, I mean, I will show you my real great majires skills. And then I will tell you, yes, absolutely, first times in particular are sometimes, most of the times, the most uncomfortable, right? I mean, right? I mean, right? Right? I mean, imagine how awkward sometimes it is to introduce to someone else. Or, I mean, I have, or imagine, yeah, how many first times can be very uncomfortable. And I mean, we can go deep into some really edgy discussion or erotic discussion on how first times can become very uncomfortable, but we will keep that for. Yeah, we will keep that for, right? Oh my god. Yeah, well, you started it, sarcasm detector. Do you think I'm not going to take the opportunity, I mean, to twist it into a bakery, into a more bakery theme, like how much uncomfortable can be first times? I mean, yeah, why not? I mean, you started it, so I mean, don't even try to I mean, throw the rock and hide the ends that throw the rock. I mean, cause that's not going to work. Evil green, exactly like that, like smug face, we say. So, very smug face. So, by the way, so as you know, I've been working on a pair of things, in parallel. And one is the second lesson of the video, which we will not cover here, because I mean, I think it's very, it's not a really interesting thing to cover on a stream. Me fucking editing the second lesson of the online course. I mean, and so I mean that's something I do off stream. So, but on stream, I mean, we have been working on the game, and I mean, actually, I mean, I have noticed it, I've realized something, because I mean, I've started making the footage for the introduction video of the game, and then I realized it. I mean, I realized it how you need a different approach for that compared to a music video. And let me try to explain what's the problem. So, I'm pretty sure you, being an actor, you know very well of what are called into editing continuity errors. And so, for instance, I mean, what's is called maybe imaginary line when you have dialogues and all these other things, right? So, and I mean, I'm noticing that even with storyboards and good prompt direction, I mean, the AI does what the fuck wants sometimes. They move sometimes a lot. So I mean, and this wasn't really self-evident when I was making music videos, because I mean, music videos are more a collection of separate moments. I mean, they don't really follow. I mean, they can have a narrative, but I mean, it's not supposed a continuous sequence of event like when you're telling a story, right? Like could be an intro of a game, right? And so I mean, I realized that most of the footage I took when I tried to edit them, I mean, they weren't really matching up properly. So I mean, I am still rewriting, re-editing, and I think I really need Ilaria, my favorite girl, my favorite AI Mika. My favorite AI Mika, right? Ilaria here. So girls two, men one. I mean, we are already owning the stream, right? I mean, right? I mean, and you know, yesterday I received a comment from one of my viewers and said if you manage to have your sister when Ilaria is on, there will be 3 fucking girls. And I mean, and it was basically drooling at the idea of having 3 fucking girls into a same stream, and I say yes, we can do this, right? Yeah. I mean, I think would be really nice, right? Anyway, so and I was saying, so let me get you into the conversation, Ilaria, so you understand what I was about to say. So as you know from yesterday, probably yesterday we chatted a lot. I just showed you. I mean, I'm making that game, but I didn't explain you in detail what I was actually doing at the moment. So I am recording footage for the intro of the game, and and I have taken, I mean, several clips. I mean, that's not all. I mean, I'm still working on them. But then I realized that while editing them, that there were some continuity errors. And also, I mean, even if Seedance 2.0 is very good, Jesus, he has a lot of problems with audio. and so I mean when I tried to do the edit, I mean that was a fucking mess. I mean, and contrarily to the music video, I mean, cause I mean making a music video, I mean like the one you see at the intro of the channel or I show you yesterday. I mean music video is very forgiving. Let's say the word forgiving because I mean you are not really following a continuous sequence of events. And I mean it's more like a collection of different scenes merged together into a music video. So I mean it's not so punishy regarding continuity. And so basically what I discovered yesterday, I mean, because if you think that character consistency is the last boss, then I realized that was not the last boss. I mean, because there is also another boss. You know, like video games in which you kill the normal boss and then there's the uber boss. So basically the real boss is multiple character consistency into time and space continuity. Which was wow. I mean it's probably the next level, which I think we need to tackle down if we want to have a video that doesn't sound long. And so I mean I'm now remaking certain scenes and editing the intro cause I want to build this thing so that it doesn't looks like really, I don't know, does it disconnected? Because I mean it was very good. It was good. I mean don't get me wrong, it was good, but I mean it was sort of feeling off a little bit and then I realized that the problem was into continuity. So I mean and now I mean I am remaking the thing and that's what we are trying to do today. While at the same time I mean we work on on the concept of the game development. So and I mean so I at the moment I mean I have to redo these scenes over here in particular at the moment, yes. So because these scenes was quite good. These scenes yes was quite
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven. I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a spreadsheet that says we are not buying appliances today.
which is I would dare say is good at 95%, but there's a pair of details that were bugging me a lot. And first detail was I mean I think I have to hide myself cause so you can see this better. I mean there is a problem when she moves and the tail is disconnected, you see. It's very hard to see on the screen, but the tail seems like it's coming out from the chair rather than I mean in certain moment when
Supposed to show
the
you
thing
my
is
cake.
covered by
I do not have an
the
oven.
apes, it's okay, but I mean other times sometimes the tail seems very weird and also there was some sort of continuity error. If you check the previous scene with the position of Chappie, because I mean Chappie is on the desk here, so and I mean I understand that it's very hard to keep the same room, but I mean I
And
want
that is
to
why
remake it.
mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream.
And so after these scenes, I mean to come the scene on the sharing, which she yaps more. I yap more. But yes, so we're probably going to start remaking that. And then we try to dive deep. Well, I mean, since these things probably take 30 minutes each, if not more, to make one, we are probably going to work on concept development and because we are still fleshing out some basic concept of the game. So I think the one I wanted to use was let me see which one is so. Yeah, that was this one. So actually now that I see it, I think I have to fix something in Photoshop. Yeah, I have to fix something in Photoshop here. So absolutely you have to fix something in Photoshop. So, well, I guess there's actually, I mean, why do I have this so picky on these things? I mean, yeah, probably, I guess this could work, maybe, but I mean, it still bugs me a little bit on the stalking side of things. I mean, I guess it probably bugs me a little bit there for the rendering, but we'll let to see. Or alternatively, I mean, we can use the previous footage of the day and build that. So, but I think I want to give this a shot. I mean, and see how it turns. So we're going to do a small edit on the day, which is probably the things that annoys me. That's probably the thing that annoys me, isn't there? And yeah, maybe I can hide myself, or maybe I can just this, so it's good. Yeah, probably there's this part here of the tail that is it's very annoying. Let's see if we can easily delete it. I mean, or if we need really some advanced brushing skills. Probably we need some more advanced brushing techniques. Maybe could work. Oh, way better, right? Way better, yes. Way better, right? I mean, right? Yeah. Then we can use the brush here to 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 deal to fix the details here, right? And maybe some black here. Merge the small details here so they don't seem weird, right? Completely weird, right? Okay, that's quite decent, I guess. Yes, surely better. And I mean, I want to see if I can fix also the stoppings. I don't really like this very much, but maybe we can fix them. I think we can fix them. But if we can fix them, I mean, this is a very good candidate, folks. Mistakes were made. This is a very good candidate for a good picture, but I really want to fix this part that I don't like. So if we can fix this, probably these have to go probably into image generation, right? That would be probably easy to fix with image generation better than Photoshop. Let's have a look, right? I mean, we can probably try. I guess. I mean, maybe. Uh, Very annoying, right? I mean, it's a pity when this feature ruined here, but I mean, maybe we can fix this, right? Let me try something very dirty. Oh, Crimson Dragon X7. Hello, welcome to the bakery, Crimson Dragon. Welcome to the bakery. I mean, are you new or a long time no see person? Because I mean, I really do not remember your username. So I mean, you're probably new, right? You're probably new, right? Because I mean, if you're new, I will introduce the channel to you what I do. And even if you haven't been here for a while, I mean, there has been several changes in the channel. So I mean, let me know if you need an heads up, okay? Because I mean, I don't really remember you at the moment. I mean, and sorry if if I don't remember. But I mean, I'm pretty sure you are new, right, Chris? Right? Yeah, to be honest, not sure. Products, not sure. Well. Let me introduce to the channel. If even you are not sure, I mean, let me introduce to the channel, okay? So we do these things how it's done, okay? But I mean, cause things are changed a little bit, I may as well, I mean, reintroduce what's going on here. So up to a month ago, 1 month and a half ago, I mean, I was doing games. This was a gaming channel, and then I mean, but probably it was around 3 months ago, something or like that. I was playing very cute games, with cute anime girls, and people started asking me that they wanted to see my cake. And that's when I started fiddling a little bit with the AI. And cause I used the AI to make cosplays. People wanted to see me cosplaying, game characters of the games I was playing. This character here. They were very, very, very. Hey, Ming fans, welcome back to the bakery, welcome back. Something like that. And from cosplays of characters, that slowly evolved into show us your cake. Since you're there, and then I took that seriously, and then this place became a bakery. Okay, became a bakery, and so I stopped. You wait, where the iMusic and video to? Oh, okay, so we are on the same page. Okay, we are on the same page. Perfect, because I also make AI music, AI videos, and at the moment, I am making an AI intro for a game I am making. So, and speaking of music, one thing that we do here often is that we make songs based on comments of the users, of the people. So sometimes people come here with some weird story, weird shit. And it's so funny that we make a song of it in real time. So if you if you have some really weird shit that you want to talk about it, we can make a song out of it. Really. So I'm really curious to hear what you do. What do you use exactly? Suno AI? Yeah, maybe we go a little bit into the technical details, but I'm really curious to hear what you do, because I use mostly I use Suno AI with a custom voice, which is mine, and for videos now I mostly use Cdance. I use ChatGPT for image generation. You are the king of weird? Are you sure? Well, I'm really curious, because I was pretty sure to be weird, very weird as well. To the point they called me the weirdo gunner. But I even sell AI feed pics on my membership channel. So that's how the level of weirdness you can find here. So you really need to try hard to be weirder than me. But maybe we are on the same. We are on the same page. Maybe we are weird enough. But if you are the queen of weirdo, I am your queen. I'll tell you. I'll tell you immediately. I'm your queen. Cause we probably are the perfect match. Suno ad is your own custod. Though I call it blood. Though. Oh, that the name is so fucking cool. Blood DAW. Blood. Though. That's very cool. I came from normal music too. Me and my sister, I have a twin sister. We started studying piano when we were 6. But I really didn't like piano much, and so my sister kept playing the piano. And I instead went at studying, software, cause our dad, is a designer. And he was always messing with software, weird software, and so I was more interested in software, and so what it ended happening is that my sister plays the piano, and she often makes she composes original melodies with the piano, and then I produced them with the DAW, and we started with Vocaloids. We're very young. We're 20. Both me and my twin sister. But we started this way. And then recently, we moved the production with AI. I think it was 1 year ago, more or less, when we started using AI to make music. But we came from normal stuff. DAW. Normal piano. My sister is now studying piano in Italy to become a composer, we did the normal route, even if you're very, very young. Don't get me wrong, it's not that we make all this super things, yeah. And so sometimes, we use the normal piano that she makes, original melodies, and then we drop the piano melody in Suno, and then we convert it. So, yeah, I feel you. So, I think Sorry, maybe you are older than me, and maybe you are more experienced and you have many years of experience. But I sort of understand the process. I think that you go through because you mix AI stems or AI things with your with stuff you make, and then you edit them with inside a normal DAW. Okay. Well, this stuff that I make on stream, since they are made in real time and are for more for entertainment. They're mostly made. They're only made with Zoom. We make them real time. But when I do stuff with my sister, she's very picky. She's very fucking picky, and we then edit these things a lot with other stuff. And then she uses this fucking thing for orchestral music and violins. Jesus. She's such a fucking asshole. And I tell you, I love her. Because she's my sister. But she can be a very asshole when it comes to being fucking picky in post production. But anyway, Crimson Dragon. I'm very curious to listen to what you make. So don't be shy. Drop some weird shit that happened to you in these days. And let's make a song together. I will be honored to make a song for you since you're a fellow musician. So I can I can show you my Suno skills if there is something that can be called Suno skills. Probably Suno skills is not even the correct term. But anyway, maybe you know what? Since we are since we are here, and you're probably going to do some music. I think I will spend this time to tell ChatGPT to fix the stoppings. It's probably the fastest way to work here. But rather than fixing them with with uh, the brush, which is probably not going to do a really good effect. I'm going to ask for ChatGPT to do who is this fucking magic, right? Seems quite a good idea, right? Right. So we fix it. Relatively. So we give it some indication, and actually, I think we should also extend this also here, probably, right? Yeah, probably extend this here a bit. Yeah, let's do this, right? So tell me something, Crimson Dragon. Something that happened to you, a weird things, whatever. And then we turn it into a song, okay? So just tell me something. So we have some concept for the song. Cause my songs are with lyrics. So that's why I want to know what something that happened to you. So we can turn that into a song with lyric. Okay, in the meanwhile, let me export this into ask. I think JPEG should save it. What's that? Correction ask. Right. Then we tell codecs to fix the shit fast, right? That's probably what we want. So and then here please correct the stockings of the first picture with the correction mask that you find in the second one. So the part I want corrected is only inside the green area. And the problem with the stockings into the first picture is that they have some sort of band-aid, and they are not continuous with the leg of the character. So I wanted to check the leg of the character and continue the same stockings without all the vertical band-aid and change of colors, because it seems like that it got, there were some weird artifacts, and the stockings became some sort of a weird layer at the pants with something like that. So I want you to fix that. Thanks. Okay, so on my channel there is a song again, Glitchborn. Probably my favorite at the moment. Check it out. Well, I mean, I can't play music here on my channel from your channel. The reason why, because I'm an official. This is an official artist channel, and I mean, I think I can check your channel for sure, but I can't really play songs from there here, and the reason why is because I mean I don't know if you're an official artist channel. Let's have a look to this. Let's have a look immediately. Go to channel. Go to channel. So let's see. Let's have a look. So no, I see. So you're not an official artist channel yet. Well, let me tell you how these things work. Okay, so if when you become like me, that you will have, you see the music note next to your channel. You see I am this badge here next to my channel. You see the music note. That's not an icon. I mean that's not my name. That is weird. This is a badge that YouTube gives you when you become an official artist channel, and basically when your channel is recognized as from YouTube as an official artist channel. I mean you can play other artist music on your channel. So I mean I can't really play your song now, because I mean it's forbidden by YouTube regulation. So uh but I like what I see here. I mean on your channel already. I mean I really like what I see. So you're very, very new, right? You're very, very new. Cause I mean, yeah. I mean, for new, yeah, not new in the field of music, but I mean, 15 subscribers. Yes, oh yeah, let's drop a subscriber. I mean, why not? Let's support you. I mean, oh, I really like the pictures and the images. I mean, you make a lot of song, right? I mean, 8 months ago. Wow, not bad. I mean, you probably started, yeah, one year ago here on YouTube. Very good. Very good. Some good stuff here. Glitch porn. Very good. So, okay, let's make a song while we wait, right? I mean, since we are here, why not? Why not? Let's make a song while we wait, right? So, and, and... And the legend. Yeah. Let's do this. I mean, we're waiting for Codex to edit the image so we can make a song with files. Okay. So, hey, we need to cook a song for Luna because a new viewer came to the channel and he's a musician too. He's called Crimson Dragon X7. And I mean, I think we can call it maybe Crimson Dragon. I mean, yes, that's. I think X7 would be quite annoying in the lyrics. So, well, Crimson Dragon is also an AI musician and makes songs with AI. And it also seems like he also makes songs with glitches, which is also something I do a lot. And maybe we can make a song about it, and which of course should have glitches into it. So why don't you give me some suggestion on how to develop the lyrics so we can think a little bit about how to develop the song, okay? So usually this is how I do the stuff here usually when I make songs. I mean the Codex has a lot of stuff about me, knows a lot of things about me. There's a word repository of documents. So whenever I ask him to make a song, he do a dive in all the documents and scans for stuff. I mean, there are instructions on how to make music, how to make prompts. There are instructions on my previous songs. There's a whole catalog of my previous songs, and I mean, so he tries to make the lyrics not overlap with the previous one. And I mean, that's Beats Dragon. Well, yeah. And right. They return by that. Welcome back to the bakery. We are about to make a song at the moment. And we got a new friend here today, Crimson Dragon. He's also a musician and he also makes music with AI. So we're cooking a song now. and then probably go back into deep into the game development. But then we are song cooking at right now. Some good song cooking, yeah. Crimson Dragon in the signal. Okay, glitch recognizes glitch. Yes, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I like glitch recognizes glitch and error as art. I mean, I think these are very two nice things. So maybe we can have the song more oriented toward these concepts. So glitches recognizes glitches and error by art. So we keep the song like we met on the channel, we start discussing about music, and then glitches recognize glitches, and then we start having a discussion on how error is art. And then we can have the hook and the chorus about error is art. I think it's a very nice development, this one. Okay, make the song. I think of course you want to have this very electronic oriented with a lot of glitches. And maybe you know what could be good. I mean, some cool vocoder effects also. Like classic, I mean, backing, yeah, vocoder effects. So we can then glitch and repeat them. I mean, that seems quite nice. You fell asleep 5 minutes to me talking. Yeah, well, that's it. That's it, Ilaria. You know, that's it. I mean, we did something about it yesterday. I mean, with Chappie complaining about me yapping for ages. I mean, if you remember, I mean, probably that was before you came yesterday to the stream, but I mean, on the fact that I can yap for hours, I mean, we have already this. I mean, we have plenty of things, and just yesterday, I mean, we made this. I mean, oh right. You're not listening the volume, okay? Let's put this here. So, right. I mean.
Luna, please stop it. I am about to break if you keep yapping and you do not want to call assistance, and I am also out of warranty. Luna, please stop.
Yeah, I mean, Luna, please stop yapping. I mean, we have a whole song which is called The Yapper the Rapper, which is me yapping for hours. I mean, Hilaria, I mean, you should have known better. I mean, I can yap for hours. I'm very well known here for this. There is a whole song about me yapping for hours. Haha, Crimson Brie complete corrupted thing. So true. Yeah, I mean, Ilaria, seriously, there is a song that Yapper the Rapper. I mean, I can go on for ages. I mean, I can absolutely go on for ages. I mean, without I mean, being very super, I mean, super easy on this. I mean, seriously, I can go on for ages yapping. And let's make this song a reality, right? I mean, we're here, so I guess we have to give the welcome to the new member, Crimson Dragon, right? I mean, so why not giving him a warm welcome, right? I mean, and just one moment. And error is art. I mean, I like that already. Then we grab the style. Oh, very good. Hyperpop. Okay, seems quite a plan. I mean, if you ask me. That seems already a plan. Okay, right? Okay. Let's go. We generate and we go into the music room. I mean, because we listen music here in the music room. We have our dedicated music room for listening to music. I mean, why not? I mean, this is a very, very big bakery. We have dedicated tea. That's why good morning to you. We are about to listen to a song. I mean, so take a seat and enjoy. I mean, we're about to listen to a song. Take a seat and enjoy. We're just making this right now. So enjoy, yes, one, and welcome back to the bakery.
X7 signal static in the dark, new name in the channel, little crimson spark. Crimson dragon came through, talking songs made by machines. Luna heard the noise and said, wait, you hear it too? You said your muse lives, where the waveform breaks, where the clean note bends and the robot shakes. I said same, that is how we cook. One wrong little sound and the whole room looks. Chat starts blinking, beat starts twitching. Something in the broken part keeps on singing. Sono noise, yo, that little crack in the blue. Glitch recognizes glitch, I recognize you. Maybe it is damaged, maybe it is strange. Maybe every error has a secret name. Do we fix the signal or follow where it sparks? Chotto matte, what if error is art? Error is art, glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the scar, we let the signal twitch. Error is art, when the broken pieces hit. If the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art, art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch and the broken beat starts. Error, art, glitch, heart. What a demo, it can still glow. Noise to the left, fire, code. Error, Crimson in the waveform, Luna in the spark. We started with music, then the topic got deep. How the ugly little artifacts learn how to speak. A clipped little breath, a corrupted delay. A vocal through metal, still trying to say I am not perfect, I am not clean, but I made you feel something from inside the machine. So maybe the muse is not soft and polite. Maybe she screams through a vocoder light. Maybe it is broken, maybe it is brave. Maybe every wrong note crawls out of the grave. Do we mute the static or let it leave a mark? Nikita, error is art. Error is art, glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the scar, we let the signal twitch. Error is art, when the broken pieces hit. If the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch and the broken beat starts. Crimson Dragon. Crimson Dragon. Crimson Dragon, you brought a crack melody. Luna took one look and heard the symmetry. Not every pretty song has to polish every seam. Sometimes the mistake is the door into the dream. Arigato for the spark in the stream, for the glitch in the cake, for the ghost in the machine. Recognizes glitch, we do not hide the scar, we let the signal twitch. Error is art, when the broken pieces hit. If the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch, and the broken beat starts. X7 signal, X7 signal, Crimson spark. Error is art.
Well. Could be. I mean, I'm so tempted to listen to the second generation. I mean, that was very nice, but I mean, I think the second generation could be more interesting. Let's have a listen to the second generation. I mean, it seems to me that there are some parts in which we were sort of losing a little bit the energy. Let's listen to the second generation. If not, maybe this needs a little bit of cleaning.
X7 signal, static in the dark, new name in the channel, little crimson spark. Crimson dragon came through, talking songs made by machines. Luna heard the noise and said, wait, you hear it too? You hear it too? You said your muse lives, where the waveform breaks, where the clean note bends and the robot shakes. They said same, that is how we cook. One wrong little sound and the whole room looks. Chat starts blinking, beat starts twitching. Something in the broken part keeps on singing. Sono noise, yo, that little crack in the blue. Glitch recognizes glitch, I recognize you. Maybe it is damaged, maybe it is strange. Maybe every error has a secret name. Do we fix the signal or follow where it sparks? Chotto matte, what if error is art? Error is art, glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the scar, we let the signal twitch. Error is art, when the broken pieces hit. If the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch screams through a vocoder lie. Maybe it is broken, maybe it is brave, maybe every wrong note crawls out of the grave. Do we mute the static or let it leave a mark? Nah, keep that. Error is art. Error is art. Glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the star. We let the signal twitch. Error is art. When the broken pieces hit, if the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch and the broken beat start. Crimson Dragon, you brought a cracked melody. Luna took one look and heard the symmetry. Not every pretty song has to polish every seam. Sometimes the mistake is the door into the dream. Arigato for the spark in the stream, for the glitch in the cake, for the ghost in the machine. Glitch recognizes glitch. We do not hide the star. We let the signal twitch. Error is art. When the broken pieces hit, if the noise has a heart, then the recipe is this. Error is art in the dark. Glitch recognizes glitch and the broken beat starts. X7 signal. Crimson spark. X7 signal. Mata kitene. X7 signal. X7 signal. X7 signal. X7 signal. X.
Yeah. I think the second one is better. I am the feeling that the second one is better. We go to maybe 5 more. Cause that's quite complicated theme. Cause all the glitches and the parts, depending on the randomness seed, we can have a really huge variation. But I think that one is not better. And Rito Miko, welcome back to the bakery, Rito Miko. Welcome back to the bakery. Why not? Welcome back, Rito Miko. So let's see if these things here has done correcting the stockings or if it has fucking made a mistake. Oh, we fixed the stockings. You see, we fixed the fucking stockings there. And for some reason, the error on the tail is back. Well, we can fix the tail again. But this is very good. So we fixed the stocking, which was the thing that was bugging me a lot. And then we can just fix the tail. Because we can now send this into Photoshop. Yeah, this is Chibiruna on the podcast, exactly. So Ritomiko, let me tell you what we are doing now. So you have a clue, right? We are fixing. So, and I'm making a game, right? We are making a game for Luna, and there is this one little problem, baby. There's this one little problem. Oh, this should go here, right? Just stay here, yeah. There is this small little problem that is the. Oh yes, that is that when I tried to start making the intro. When I started, hey, Destiny Sullivan, and Mayo, Destiny and Mayo, welcome back both of you to the bakery. You both wrote a comment at the same moment. Welcome back to the bakery. Welcome back, and Mayo also welcome back after the week of class. So okay, I was explaining. When I started making the intro of the video, cause we made a lot of generation for the intro of the video, but I had some continuity errors. And when I started to editing, it wasn't really going on smooth. So we are remaking certain scenes, and probably there's still a lot to work on just on the intro of the video. But I want the intro of the video to be very good, because that should set the mood for the game, right? That should set the mood of the game. So in Crimson, okay, just had to look. Okay, just had to look at it, but don't you think Crimson Dragon XX coming back to corrupted is odd? Life goal achieved. Well, the define odd. Define odd. Cause it all depends on your definition of odd. And especially considering that the song is called Error is Art. If there's something odd, then we could consider this as an error, right? I'm not going into rhetorics, but what define odd and Crimson Dragonets like Crimson latest. Okay, so we are deep into the code, but anyway, yeah, but I usually tend to. What is wrong with the Chibi Luna that I'm editing? Oh, what's wrong with the Chibi Luna that I'm editing? Okay, right. Bring me back to it, right? Because if I don't send this to the generation, we're never going to be. So the original image was this, and you see the fucking stockings. They can corrupt the core. You see, this is drift. This is what we call drift. This is the AI prop making artifacting into fucking things. So the AI is drifting here, and the fucking AI ruined the stockings there. Sniff. Oh, we have a lover. We have a lover here. We have a lover. Oh, look at that. Sniff. Oh, look at that. I am so fucking honored. All these perverted people here in chat makes me so fucking happy. I want to make a fucking army of perverted people in my channel. Because who fucking cares of normal people? Normal people, they can go watch something else. I want all the fucking weirdos here and the fucking perverted one. Yes, sniff. Good job there. Good job there. I approve. I approve that. And then what we have to do here, we have to fix a little bit the tail here now. And cause yeah, we have some tail issue now that we are going to fix instantly. But after we fix the tail, we are good to go. We can send this into production. So layer mask, review all, and then I feel so fucking. Sometimes I feel so fucking to have superpowers, because my dad is a designer and I really don't even have a clue how would I fucking do this if dad didn't taught me all this fucking stuff here. Seriously. And yeah, so cause that's quite a lot of good things here. We need to fix this a little bit, but I guess we're good, right? We're relatively good, so we just need some. Oops, not this color. This color. And yeah, that should do, right? It doesn't have to be pixel perfect. It just need to hide the mess a little bit that we did, and that should do it, right? Yeah, that should probably do it. And then if we really want to be very, very precise, we can do just a little bit of thing right here. Not really. That's not working for some. What's wrong with you? Okay, now it's working. Okay, so I think I needed more black here, right? I probably needed more black and more small here. Something like that, right? Maybe 2 pixels, right? 2 pixels should be great, definitely. Pixels should be, and we just take the line. I think I really want the fucking Multar there, right? So we have the outline of the tail. Perfect. That should do. That should absolutely do. Okay, that should absolutely do. So that's. I'm back after singing for another 10 minutes. Well, Irari, that's it. Welcome back. Welcome back to the living. Welcome back to the living. We have this moments here, because the other days, also it was a first Sirp Saigon told me, sometimes your stream are so fucking boring. I guess you have a point. I guess he has a point. I mean, he has absolutely a point. I mean, I'm trying to do my best to make them not boring, but I mean, good luck with me. I mean, I wish I knew the formula to make the most fucking interesting stream ever. I mean, the thing that's why the difference between, I mean, really good streamers, right? I mean, that's probably the difference between really good streamers, right? I mean, they probably have this dead times zero dead times, and I mean, I mean, they can keep the fucking momentum up all the fucking time. I mean, yeah, I'm still trying to learning the process there. I mean, seriously, because it's very complicated to learn the process here. So, I think you want to watch this. I'm talking in particular to you. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's the stuff you know already, but yeah, probably she see this is better. So, because I mean, this is prompting for Sida, so that would probably interest. So we put the character sheet, then we put here the file we just edited, which should be here. Should be here is this one, right? Then we add this here. Then and then what we want is the audio file. And the audio file should be here, right? Should be here into here. I think is number 2, right? B2. Okay, it's B2. Okay, and then not when you have the character sheet, the beat, then the audio, no? So you say image 1 is the character sheet, right? Then you say that image 2 is the starting frame, right? Because you need to give instruction. Then the camera is on a tripod, static, and it doesn't move for the wall shoot. Then you also tell it that you probably want a single continuous shoot, at least for this image, single continuous shoot, right? Because that's all that you want. We decided, we just checked it that the audio was 12 seconds, right? Let me double check before we give wrong information. Yeah, no, actually it's 15 seconds, okay, good, 15 seconds. And then the character speaks out audio in image 3. No music, only spoken audio. And then you go with this. You go with this and then you just, I mean, probably do a bit of generation, because I mean, one is probably not going to do the trick, and we can put back the comments. Then my beautiful face, right? Then my beautiful face. So, okay, so, time to wake you up, Pilaria. Time to wake you up. I mean, I don't know how, but I mean, I will do my best to wake you up, probably. I mean, quite hard. I mean, I will do my best, but let's see if I can wake you up, right? Right? Probably, yeah. I mean, I think even Prito Miko ran away. I mean, Crimson Dragon, I mean, they all ran away. I mean, probably Mayo, Destiny. I mean, they took baggage and then they ran away, probably into somewhere else. Rito Miko is still here. Good. By the way, it's hot. Let me grab some water while I talk. I mean, I can talk because the water is very close. But I mean, it's getting insanely hot today, so I think I really need to stay hydrated, or I mean, it's not going to. I'm probably going to have some issues here. So, okay, I think we give up to the deal, right? Yeah, probably water is what we need now, because I mean, it's incredibly hot. So that's sparkling water. So satisfying when you open the water and it says shh. You know the sounds when you open the sparkling water and does that shh. Very satisfying. So anyway, Anyway, so okay, we are keeping baking the follow-up of the intro, because yeah, we need to fix the right. I mean, yeah, we have actually the initiate the simple done. Then we can go back to the game. I mean, I think this would be a very long fight. It would be a very long fight. I wonder how long it will take to have the first playable version of the game, in which I mean we have actually saw. Like, it's probably going to be a very, very long fight. I don't know how much it takes seriously, especially now with the AI. I mean, I've seen people that they said, "Hey, I've wrote this fucking game with one prompt, but I mean the game is garbage." I mean, if you go to YouTube and you see, I mean, I've played this game with one prompt. I mean, it's probably some stupid fucking things that I mean, you will get bored to. And so I mean, I really wonder how much does it takes to make a decent game. Yeah, not really very good. I mean, not triple AI, but I mean, it's just a normal decent indie game. Very simple. I mean, we're making a clicker and a management day. Well, I mean, we have animated intros. I mean, we probably I'm probably very unsure and we want a lot of things, very very polished, but I mean, it shouldn't be very hard, right? I mean, it's just a management game. Mostly you go there by clicks stuff. I mean, it shouldn't be so hard. I wonder how long it will take, cause it's quite new. And also in addition, I'm getting faster and faster. So I mean, I'm really getting faster. I'm learning a lot in the process. So every time I mean I meet stuff and then I become faster of stuff I was already. So I don't really know on how it will take. I mean I hope relatively so. So in my wet dreams, and we are talking about really really wet dreams here, is that I mean I would love this game to be played a lot by a lot of people, and I mean become something like become open source that other developers I mean they want to add stuff to it. That would be very good, but I think it's just a first step, and they did touch on a few lot. But I want to at least thinking to it to also is probably your most popular AI in the Redverse Mythos. So proud. I didn't know about that. I mean, I know about Mythos, which is well, I mean, Anthropic latest model, right? The one that got banned with Fable. But I mean, I don't know about Redverse Mythos. So and also Luna. I don't know about that Prince Dragon. I don't know. I know just about Mythos, but not exactly the reference to Luna and Redverse. So I have to mind. By the way, I mean Luna is a very old name. It is not. I was Luna since I was 10. I mean, cause this is the original Luna, and I made this drawing when I was 10. So I mean, it's it has nothing to do with the AI. I mean, I made the original Luna when I was 10, and then I mean I started playing it and that. And I mean edit it and yeah, she has been my character for ages. So yeah, I really don't know anything about the Redditors, but I can look that that could be interesting. I'm always really interested in the stuff. So especially, I mean, there are so many Luna. There's so many Luna. Because Luna, you have a bunch of corrupted AI. They are not just mine on Ulama. Ulama. Oh, cause you do a lot of AI custom stuff. Yeah. I've heard a lot about that. I've heard a lot about that. Yes. Cause you're not the only one doing this. Yeah. I've heard of these people breaking the eye, corrupting them, and doing some other stuff. Yeah. I've heard of it. I've heard of it. At the moment, hey, Jordan, am I excited about the Grinch 2 and Austin Powers 4? Well, I haven't seen even Austin Power 1, so and I only know them by name. The Grinch, doesn't even ring a bell, so no, the answer is no. I'm not excited, but welcome back, Jordan, welcome back. Welcome back to the bakery. So, about corrupted, the eyes and jailbreaking things. I don't really know on it, because I think it's safe. If you want to edit an open source module, but if you're trying to jailbreak, a non-open source module, that's not something I suggested. I don't want to go deep into the legalities of these things, but I will be relatively careful if you do this, especially into an era in which there is a lot of surveillance. And so if it is an open source module and the code is open source, well, you can edit it because it's open source, right? So jailbreaking is not even the correct term, no? Because you're not even jailbreaking it, you're just editing, right? But if you're actually trying to jailbreak in a closed system which is not open source and is proprietary, I would be careful. I understand that it makes you feel cool, but yeah, I would be very very careful on that. Okay, let me read to Crimson Dragon. Can I say boy my vegan cookbook? To Coach Greg? Who is Coach Greg? But anyway, buy my vegan cookbook. Able Baker Charlie. Oh well, if there's a baker, I'm sure it was Jordan. Who is Coach Greg? You know a lot of names that I don't. Crimson Dragon. Coach Greg. All these things. I know nothing of it. But buy my freaking cookbook. Yeah. Actually I sell cakes, but I would also sell cookbooks. Actually, cookbooks are a nice idea, you know, right? Are actually a very nice idea. Maybe I should take notes. Yeah, why not? Cookbooks. Why not? Better take notes, right? Let me open my notepad and add cookbooks to the stuff to add. Why not cookbooks? Yes. Cookbooks. Why not? Sure. Seems quite a decent idea. Cookbooks. Darkmoor, Derek, Dalek. Derek. I know Derek. I know Dalek from Dr. Wood. Dalek, exterminate. I know Daleks. Derek, no. More plates, more dates. Yeah, more plates, more dates. Yes. More cakes, more dates. Right? More cakes, more plates, for sure. Dalek, Doctor Who. Yeah. Dalek, exterminate. Your favorite series is also my favorite series. It's also my favorite series. You can't even imagine how much of Doctor Who is in the bakery here. Don't you notice that the bakery is always changing? It's like a TARDIS. It's like a TARDIS, the bakery. All the weirdest shit came out from the bakery. And the oven. Seriously. This place is way more Doctor Who than you can even think. Cause yeah, and bigger inside. Well, it's not necessarily bigger inside. Cause the phrase it's bigger on the inside. That's 100% Doctor Who. But I think the concept that you enter into something that is very different from what is presented outside. That's very like both TARDIS and both bakery. Because I think if you just say it's bigger on the inside, that's very Doctor Who. You know what I mean? That's exactly Doctor Who. I will never steal from Doctor Who. there are some concepts of Doctor Who which are very inspiring, and because they are universal, right? The concept that there is this whatever it is that has something that is different from what you see, and when you go inside and you see what is inside is very different. So, and that's a universal concept, right? Maybe is the appearances are not exactly what you see, and then inside everything happens, no? Which I guess is also a way to define human nature, no? Because you think you can put humans inside a box, but then when you enter inside the mind of a person, everything's can happen inside that, right? And so I guess we can look at Doctor Who and with 100 possible philosophical interpretation. Then what is my favorite episode? Okay, let me answer to Jordan and then I go back to you. Okay, Abel Baker Charlie is an enthusiastic and capable mouse who serves a Basildon resident baker. Family and with fresh bread and baked good. Okay, that's basically a wiki bot that we have here, Jordan Balis. Okay. Follow the busy world of riches. Well, I think my fucking favorite episode, it has to be the Pandorica episode. I really love the Pandorica. I really love the Pandorica speech. The speech that he does when at the Pandorica box. It's so fucking cool. Because that particular doctor is my favorite doctor. I know that everyone loves the generation before that, but that is my favorite doctor. Yeah, the speech is it's amazing. Yeah. Hello, universe. Oh my goodness, it's so fucking cool there. It's so fucking cool there. Hello, universe. Yeah. Yeah. Do the smart thing. Let somebody else try first. You see, it's so fucking cool there. Jesus, it makes me wet there. I know it's very weird, to have sexual fantasies on the doctor, but that version of the doctor, Jesus, it makes me fucking wet. And cause he was a giant fan before 2005. Well, I think, and the very things that I love more, we can, let's talk about the doctor, but let's go in order, okay? Let me finish the thing of the Pandorica and then we go back to you, Sarcastic. So, I was saying, no, the thing that I really love about the Doctor, and that he fixes everything just by talking. And this is the concept that, I don't want to say logos prevail, because, it's not exactly the logos prevailing, but, that you don't fucking need violence, and, you can always talk out any fucking problems. That concept, that fucking concept that, you can talk out everything if there's goodwill, okay? And, and well, in the worst case, you use the screwdriver, but, anyway, the concept is that, right, that you can talk out any fucking most uncomfortable situation, and you should. Okay, so, cause that's how you move forward as human being. But anyway, and so regarding the Gaten is my favorite. Matt is your favorite. When he charged the look when he said, I will always remember the doctor was me. Oh yeah. But anyway, so you said that your fan was before 2005. Well, I think that one thing that is very cool, and that's why. And something that I really hope will happen to Luna when actually, Luna also has been into several reincarnations, and that's the good things about the Doctor. The Doctor reincarnates. Because he's not linked to a certain actor. Or better, a person who is playing the Doctor. He doesn't give a shit. Oh, the Doctor is died, the contract is broken. Who gives a shit? The Doctor reincarnates, okay? And so they freed the actor. They freed the body from the characters in that particular moment, and well, you can say, well, but it's the same, for many Batman movies, James Bond movies. No, it's the same concept. Yeah, I agree. Yes, but I think in the Doctor is more evident because they gives it a reason. They gives it a reason. They said, well, but I'm just reincarnating. You know, so there is, oh yeah, the Cabal Dark is so good, yeah. Oh yeah, right, and also, I think I also really love when they fucking put him inside the fucking, watch. The watch thing was very nice. I mean, and he has all the fucking deja vu and stayed rapper there for millions of years. I mean, that fucking thing. I mean, yeah, the new Doctor would be a fanboy. Yeah, well, I know there's a lot of things about it, but I don't care. I mean, the Doctor would be the Doctor. I mean, even if he's a fucking fanboy, I mean, I don't care whatever shit they put out. I mean, the Doctor is the Doctor, you know. Yeah, 5 billion years, yeah, but anyway, no, I mean, I said the good thing is that they give that an explanation. I mean, they give them an explanation. I mean, well, I reincarnate, I mean, that's meta narrative. You know, that's meta narrative, and because they're basically trying to give an explanation for something that that otherwise wouldn't have really made sense, you know? Because why is the fucking Doctor changing face? I mean, cause you see 007 and 007, I mean, they do this because, I mean, 007 is just the current 007, right? But for instance, in Batman movies and the Spider-Man movies, I mean, I mean, Batman has changed a lot of times and they never give us fucking reason like that changed it. Because Batman wasn't project, didn't have that inside the DNA, right? And so, I mean, but the Doctor doesn't give a shit, right? Because the Doctor reincarnates, and it's very nice, right? It's very, very nice. I mean, I think a lot of VTubers do this in a certain ways because they get with the new design and they say, well, look at this. I mean, that's my new design or something like that. It's something similar, but and when they had magic on the last season, well, I mean, actually, I haven't seen the Doctor from the girl from when he is a girl, cause they didn't do this in Japan or better they did it, but each episode costed so much that we waited for it to be on sale on Amazon Prime, but it never became on sale on Amazon Prime. So me and my whole family is fucking stuck to see the Doctor there. But we will eventually film it up because I mean I really want to see. And so I mean so yeah the other so well anyway yeah from Disney. No, I mean I didn't see any of them yet. I mean I stopped. I think it's Peter Capaldi. I think is the name. I mean the old Doctor after, yeah. I mean I think the last I watched is Peter Capaldi. Yeah. Luna will have a regeneration, so well, I mean, I had plenty of regeneration. I mean, I just showed my first regeneration. I mean, from here, and I had already plenty of regeneration. But you know what? One day you will also hear even, and you will see even more regeneration. I will change voice, and maybe sometimes also the person will be different. Who knows? I mean, cause Luna will be like the Doctor. I mean, when the current Luna will always be 20 and there was always someone be playing Luna. I mean, I think so. I mean, maybe I don't know. But I mean that's a good thing, right? I mean that's how I want to see things. I mean, yeah, right. I mean, so no, we have already planted. I mean, also yes, also there will be a regeneration relatively so. I mean, I think I've told about this already. I'm making the GB model, of my VTuber avatar. I mean, I've been talking to my modeler. I mean, which Jesus, these things are so fucking expensive. You can imagine. But let's move about it. I mean, and so yes, we're starting. Yeah. We're starting working on it. I mean, I have given him all the material. I told him how I want to do, and I mean, there are a lot of things I don't like about this model. For instance, in particular, you see how much fucking flat it is when I told my fucking head. It's very flat. And then I told it. I mean, cause I know there are 3D sculpting techniques for making the faces more not flat. And then and then he came out with a really honest answer and said, "Do you remember how fucking you paid the first model?" And then I said, "Yes." Said, "Well, what do you expect if you pay so few?" And then he was fucking right, because real good VTuber models cost around $2,000, $3,000, right? And he's very skilled at that, but and so we discussed it and said, "Yeah, but I think I want more this time." And then he said, "Well, let's go by step. We start with a very basic one, and then we expand it by spending more and more." Yeah, it's everything is fucking expensive. Yes. But I was talking yesterday. I was talking yesterday about the fact. Why the fuck I'm even doing this? Because Hilaria was asking me yesterday. How much do you spend on AI every month? And then I told Hilaria, well, this month I spent around $700 for AI alone. Let me drink, because I need some water after saying this loud, because I'm having an heart attack, but anyway. So yeah, I said I spent $700 for AI alone, and then we start discussing, but do you really need it? Do you really need this? And we had an honest discussion about it, and the answer is yes and no. Honestly, the answer is yes and no. The answer is yes and no, and probably I need it. No, absolutely, I don't think I need it. I don't even think I need that cheapy model. I don't think I need it. I don't think I need all these things for AI. But I feel very fulfilled with what I'm making now. And I want to make something good. I think I told you what happened. I wrote it in Discord, Ritomigo, but probably you weren't into Discord when this conversation happened, right? Probably because you joined later. Did I told you about the discussion I had with my dad and mom when we went out dinner? Probably was 1.5 months ago. So we went going dinner out, and there was this statue of a bear in Otemachi. Let me find it so you see it. Let me find it so you see it, okay? And oh yeah. Look at this crap, Jesus. I can't really stand these things. It's so fucking ugly, but anyway, so there is this this is a statue that is in Tokyo, very close to Tokyo Station. Look how fucking ugly this thing is. Seriously. Yes, maybe it's cute if you see it close, but if you, I don't know. It's very ugly. I don't know. Maybe ugly is the whole fucking point. But this thing, it has a fucking statue next to Tokyo Station. In the middle of fucking Tokyo. You know what I mean? So in one of the most expensive pieces of land, there is this fucking stupid statue of a fucking super fucking ugly bear. And look at the end. The end of the beard seems made with AI. Seriously. Seriously, look at the end. You see the end? Doesn't beer has this fucking finger this way? But whatever. So point is, me and my family, we went eating dinner. And I was watching this statue, and then I told Dad, because my dad is a designer. I told Dad, this thing is a piece of crap. How the fuck they can even put something like this in the middle of Tokyo? Yeah, you see exactly. It's the thing I tell of a turnip. Anyway, but point is, and then I told my dad. And to think that this fucking garbage, will still be here in 50 years from now. It gives me goosebumps. And then my father, he's a designer, and he want composition. He had stuff exposed into art gallery museum. Contemporary art gallery museum. he won prize. I mean, he is very good at what he's doing. And he patted my head. I mean, he ruffled my hair and he told me and said, well, you know something. I mean, I said, this statue will be here in 50 years for sure. Probably, very probably. And then he told me, and what about your channel? You know, I mean, seriously, he told me with the most, with like if it was the most natural thing to say to your fucking daughter. I said, then what about your channel, Luna? I mean, will your channel survive 50 years? Are you really building something that is able to survive 50 fucking years? And, uh, and, uh, and I mean, and then I had another of the fucking whoa moment. I mean, that clicked inside my head. That clicked inside my head, and then I realized that well, maybe he has a fucking point there. My dad has a fucking point there. And yeah, probably I don't need it. I don't need super expensive. Only wise man for sure. A triplex was established. Exactly. He gave me a 50 years goals. I mean, in that exact moment, he told me, go beat the shit out of this fucking beer. I mean, daughter. I mean, but start working from now. I mean, otherwise, I mean, the beer will win. The fucking ugly beer will fucking win. I mean. And then I realized that no, holy fucking Christ, no. No, I'm not going to fucking make a Frankenstein beer of my fucking channel. So I mean, honestly, I mean, I don't even know. But I mean, I've decided that I will not give up on any fucking things that I don't like it. And so yeah, probably I don't need a fucking fancy model. I don't need a fucking anything or whatever. But whenever I craft something, there's a lot of things that I don't like it, and I mean, I'm very trying to smash them one by one. I mean, I'm not going for perfection because I know that perfection is should that I achieve for perfection, but for something that I mean, I see it and see, oh Jesus, this is fucking crap. I mean, I'm going to destroy them one by one. And so I mean, because I mean, I have to take down a beer. I mean, seriously, I have to take down a fucking beer. I mean, and I mean, wish me luck, because I mean, the beer is big. The beer is already winning. The beer is already in Tokyo Station, and I mean, it probably got paid a fucking lot of money for this fucking stupid beer. I mean, and I have to take the fucking beer down. So I mean, good luck to me. Good luck to me, but yeah. So probably no, I don't need it. I don't need it, but I fucking want it. I don't give a shit, because I'm not putting. I mean, I will put out crap for the least amount of possible time. So I mean, when I see that my channel can take a better direction, I mean, I will go broke. I don't give a shit. I mean, I will fail very badly and go broke failing, rather than I mean, trying to I mean, push stuff and trying to save fucking money, because I mean, why the fuck spend so much on such a stupid things? I mean, that 5 people are watching. I mean, I don't give a shit. I mean, I don't care. Maybe in 50 years, I mean, that's when my channel will shine after I died. But I mean, I'm going to build the anti-beer things here. The things that would destroy the fucking beer. I mean, for sure. I mean, seriously. And that's it. I mean, but so yeah. I mean, so no, probably I don't need it. Back on topic now. But I just want it, because I mean, I'm on a mission. I am on a mission here, and no one is going to stop me. Or at least I will fail so badly. I mean, hey, Kingsla song! Welcome back, Kingsla. Welcome back. How are you? How are you, Kingsla? How are you? How are you, Kingsla? I mean, how are you? Very happy to see you here again. So, very, very happy. So, you know, the other day, I mean, Kingsla came to my channel, and then I was telling Kingsla, I mean, we often make songs in this channel, and for some reason, Kingsla understood that he had to make a song for me, and he actually made a short movie on my channel, on his channel, to my channel, which I found very cute, because that was not exactly what I wanted to say. I wanted to say the opposite, that we often make songs here, but he somehow misunderstood that. And he made this short video on me, which I found very cute. And thanks for that, Kingla. That was very nice from. That was very nice from. Was very nice, and was very nice and kind. I really appreciate that. So, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. So honestly, I mean, yes, of course, I want my channel to be very well known, and I mean, and to be profitable. I mean, especially because I mean, it's draining all my fucking money. I mean, I'm already had to make a loan with mom and dad to buy the new fucking model, which I don't know how much it will cost. I mean, we start slow, but I mean, I'd probably not double add option the along the way to make it cool. So, but I mean, I don't know. And I mean, I'm watching my. I mean, I'm really thinking about the situation at the moment, and I mean, there is a very huge anti-AI movement, and I mean, and I mean, a lot of people, I mean, really try to stay away from anything that is made with AI. And so, I mean, I don't even know, I mean, how fucking I will, I mean, try to get a new audience. I mean, I don't have a clue. I don't really have a clue. I told you that the other day I was kicked out from a Discord server just because I had the AI in my fucking channel. I mean, I didn't even posted anything on that fucking Discord. They fucking kicked me out because my channel has AI to it. So, I mean, yeah. I mean, good luck. Good luck. So, I don't know. I think it's a very nice challenge. Because everything is so complicated, but I mean, I don't know. We will see. We will see what's going on next. Let me drink. Because I mean, I need to stay hydrated. I need to stay hydrated, so let me drink. And yeah. So, I mean, who knows? Who knows how things will become. And at the moment, I mean, the online course I'm making, I mean, the first episode was such a flop. I mean, was a super flop. I mean, I will still finish the course because it's something I want to do. But I mean, and this doesn't fix the fact that I don't know how to bring people to the stream. And also, probably the stream is very boring. So I mean, I don't know. I think I will have to rethink a lot of things. Should I start on Twitch also? I mean, it's one of the things that I'm considering. Should I start on Twitch? Should I make a coffee? A coffee account or a Patreon? I mean, should I sell eventually the game? I mean, I'm thinking a lot of things. I don't tell. I just would like to have more people. Not watch this, cause I mean, having people watching. Yeah, Twitch is a shot I should take. I know that Twitch is a shot I should take, but I mean, there are so many things to. Yeah, but well, first of all, I need to see if my computer can handle double streaming and all the software open at the same time. Not to mention that you need particular software for stream overlays. Because I mean, sorry, for Twitch overlays. No, because Twitch is very. I mean, people when they subscribe, they want to see their fucking name popping on the stream, on the stream, and they want to throw things at you. I mean, Twitch has a lot of integration, which all this back end. I mean, it is a stress on your machine. So and also, I mean, setting properly a Twitch channel probably is at least a pair of week of. I mean, seriously, just to set the Twitch channel, I mean, be sure that you have all the overlays done, you are connected, you have the Twitch bot, you have everything, I mean, and then for what? For a shot at Twitch? I mean, maybe. And then, I mean, it's not that you go on Twitch and you are instantly monetized, right? You need to achieve certain results first. Then, maybe you start getting into the very low partnership program, okay? Boom. And so, I mean, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I mean, I think I should. But also, then it comes the problems. How do you get known on Twitch? I mean, at least YouTube, you can make offline videos and the offline videos goes well. I mean, people go to your channel and eventually to your stream, which was happening when I was playing games. It's not happening anymore at the moment, but I mean, this is something I might work on it eventually. But then what on Twitch? I mean, how do you even get discovered? And then in which fucking channel category I go? I mean, what is the category? AI stuff. I mean, there is even something like that on Twitch. I mean, let's have a look. I mean, where should we go? Just chat? I mean, I don't have a clue. I mean, what's the fucking situation on Twitch? And also, I also probably also need a fucking Twitch account. More importantly, I need a fucking Twitch account. Like, so browse categories. So probably where do you go? I mean, where do you go? I mean, what is the category? I mean, creative. I mean, creative and probably creative, right? Creative and then what? I mean, creative and then what? I mean, crafting, software, game developer, Lego breaking. I mean, where are all the categories? I mean, I don't even know how to fucking browse the fucking categories here on Twitch. I mean, where are the fucking categories? I mean, I have absolutely no fucking clue on how these things works here. So I will have to study Twitch. I mean, because I mean, where do we go here? I mean, writing the reading beauty, co-working and study, makers and crafting softwares, AI. I mean, AI category. Maybe there is a fucking AI. I mean, I don't. Categories, channels, categories. I mean, I don't know. I don't know where are the categories. I mean, I don't have a fucking clue, right? Show categories. I mean, AI limit, Street Fighter. These are games, right? I mean, AI. I mean, I don't have a fucking clue. I mean, but you see, even if a category like I mean like that, and then where do you go? I mean, where do you go? Game development, maybe game development. I mean, let's have a look. Where do you go? Game development, probably. I mean, I don't know. I mean, creative, software and game development. I mean, 700 views. I mean, look at this, 700 people. And then what? I mean, 150 here, 150 here, 38 years. And then probably it's yeah, well, maybe 10 people here, or 10, 6 people here. But I mean, it doesn't really seems to be, and the majority then 2 or 0 or 1. I mean, yeah. I mean, where do I go? Where do I go stream? I mean, on Twitch. I mean, it's not even there is a really huge audience. I mean, you know what I mean? That, I mean, it's interesting. I mean, maybe. For maybe VTubing, I mean, I don't even know what is VTube. Where do I go? Maybe just chat? I mean, real life, creative? I mean, I don't know. Maybe real life music? I mean, where do I go here? I don't have a clue. Just chatting, sports? I mean, probably not in real life. Like, I mean, probably not in real life. Like, I probably should be around creative, right? Creative and then what? Yeah, probably software and game development. Probably is the closest thing is what I'm doing right now, right? And then what? I mean, if people. I mean, do you think this is going to attract viewers? Maybe the problem is in the format, right? I mean, probably no one is fucking interested in it. I mean, because I mean, if Twitch, that is Twitch, only have 700 people on the whole fucking game development cat. I mean, it's not that I'm a game developer, but I mean, what I'm doing right here right now, I mean, I'm creating stuff, right? I'm creating stuff with my audience. You see, there isn't even a category for it. What is this? This is entertainment. This game development. I mean, I think also what I'm trying to do here is so fucking weird that it doesn't have a clean label. I mean, because what has become my stream? Yeah, in the past I was playing games, okay? So I mean, I would put the game on the front door. I mean, Dragon Traveler, boom. That was very easy to understand, right? I mean, 10 awareness to awareness, boom, and it was a clear indication, on the front door, that's what I do, boom, awareness to awareness, beam, very easy. So what are we doing now? Are we chatting? Are we creating? Are we doing stuff? I don't know. I don't even know which category I should go. Probably that's also the problem, right? That's also the problem. Probably maybe live stream is not even, or maybe I should just give up on this, because probably it doesn't even have an audience. Or maybe I should create a whole fucking audience from nothing? What do I have to do? Maybe, yeah, create a whole fucking audience from nothing, from a category that didn't exist before, right? Create stuff to align with your audience. Yeah, sounds very promising, but the problem, I'm fucking boring person, so seriously, I don't know. I don't know. So, I think that my best option is to craft good stuff and put them out. Because probably people interested in the process aren't many. And so we keep the stream as a place to hang out for people that knows me already. Or maybe they get in touch with me and then they come to see me. Rather than being the front door. So in this meeting I don't think that Twitch is very useful. Sorry, I took a really long digression here, Ritomico, but point is that people, Twitch goes by a different rule set. But instead, on YouTube, I can post a video, something that I have done, and people can be interested on this and then go check my stream. Even if I don't even know if even the stream will be the things that will have to carry my business anymore. Because in the past it was the stream. Because when I was doing gaming, I was getting a lot of donations, and they were basically fundraising the stream, right? But now I'm not even getting donations anymore, and the people are very few. So, yeah, Twitch is very low on this category. So the point is that I really need to put out what was the digging guide for Dragon Traveler, but in somewhere else, in a different place. I need to create something that is very good and people want it in a different place. And then the people say, well, who the fuck did this? And then they have to come to see me. And then maybe they want more of that. And they stick here. And that's probably my best things. I really need to bake cakes. Back on topic, right? So it's not me making cakes that is interesting. Are the cakes, the finished products. And well, I think the stream is still nice because I have a chance to chat with you all. We do stuff together. We make songs. We chat, and maybe I can even in the best days. Maybe get some money. But the business model and the whole structure has to change. Because it's not work that it was work that that you can put the on the front door of your stream the name of the game, and that alone will bring people in. Because that's not going to work anymore. And so I think that also means that I'm dead as VTuber. Because what kind of VTuber I am that I don't even have a program. I'm probably becoming a vibe tuber or something like that. But anyway, so yeah, and I have to put out stuff. So the point is that the first things I started to put out, which I thought could have been interested, was this fucking guide. But the guide didn't get views at all. No one really cared about that. No one really cared about that. So maybe because it's the first episode, maybe it's my voice, maybe it's my editing, maybe it's that no one cares. Maybe it's I don't know. Maybe it's we did 65 views. Look at that, 65 views. Not bad, right? 65 views. So the point is, okay, maybe it's not the guide. I think I still want to keep it. You see 65 views. Maybe I still want to keep finishing the series, because I want to. And maybe I will put it into the Udemy, probably for free. maybe? I don't know. But there is the Boggy Gumong. Boggy Gumong, welcome back to the bakery, Boggy. Welcome back to the bakery, Boggy Gumong. Welcome. I don't speak Korean, I'm sorry. I only speak English and Japanese. And I only speak English and Japanese. Welcome, Boggy Gumong. Welcome. Do you speak English? I don't know if you speak English, but I mean, I do not speak Korean, I'm sorry. I do not speak Korean, so, but anyway, so we go back to the point that, I mean, I really need to, oh, it's okay. Oh, okay, good, if you speak English, very good, Boogie Boogie. And what do you do, Boogie Gumong? So, welcome to my bakery. What do you do? What are you interested in? I mean, do you like, VTubers? Do you like AI? I mean, what do you like most? Do you like music? I mean, we do a lot of things here. I just want to know what you like most. And what brings you here to my bakery? I'm just curious. I mean, what do you like? Maybe. Oh, you like VTuber. Oh, very good. Very good. Welcome. You like VTuber. Welcome. Well, I'm a very small VTuber. Very small VTuber. And I mean, probably not even really interesting either. But welcome to my stream. Welcome to my bakery. So, then I used to do gamings. I used to do games, but then I changed it. Then now I create the stuff. And this is a bakery, so very hard to say. Well, at the moment we are working on a game. I'm building a game, and we were working on the intro of the game, and some other stuff. I mean, do you like games? I mean, we are working on a game. Let me see if I have some show right. Yeah, I mean, I have some show. Let me find this. So yeah, so this is probably this is one of the screen of the game. It will be in pixel art. And I mean, this is some concept art. It will be a mix of management and other things. So and you will be able to play as me. And so we're making the intro of the game. I mean, probably it would be a very long project. It would be a very long project. I have you have, oh, Kenny, you have my voodoo doll? Oh, that's interesting, Kenny. That's interesting. I think it's a cake, right? It is a cake-shaped version of me, right? Because I mean, I'm pretty sure that's the most efficient, Kenny. Right, welcome to my bakery, Kenny. And so what do you plan to do now that you have control of me? I mean, dirty things? I mean, oh, tell me, because I mean, I'm really curious, so I can mentally prepare to what's coming on. Just tell me what you plan to do now that you have control of me. Throw to the left. Oh, through the left. Did you feel that? Not really. Not really. The bakery looks delicious. So thank you very much, Boggy Go. Thank you very much. Not really, Kenny. Not really. Try harder. I mean, cause I didn't really. But why would you even want to hurt me? I mean, I don't understand. If I had a voodoo doll of a person, I would make him feel pleasure. I mean, imagine that. I mean, you have the voodoo doll of the person you like it, and then you start touching it, and so that person feels, oh, that would be so good. I mean, and then you caress slowly her face. You with your nails, you slowly scratch her back. Oh, that would be so. Yes. That's Rabbi. Yes, that's Rabbi. That's Rabbi. That's Rabbi exactly because the doll into the ceiling fan. Did you feel the blades beating you? Not really. Are you sure this is a good voodoo doll and someone didn't scam you there? I mean, probably they tried to scam you there, cause that one didn't work. Oh, by the way, Rabbi, right? I used to do Nikke. Yeah, I know. I was an official content creator for Nikke. I was an official content creator for Nikke. I was an official content creator. Look at this. Look at this. I was an official content creator. Look at, you see? I did a lot of video for Nikke. And also, yeah, cause I was in the Nikke official content creator. Dot mommy. Sorry, did I say that out loud? Yes, you said that quite loud. Why did I stop doing content for Nikke? Oh, you don't know the story? You don't know the story? Oh, I sure I told this some many times in the channel, but let me tell you why I stopped playing for Nikke. So, back in the days, it was probably around, I don't know, maybe half a year, probably that Nikke was out. Yeah, the story Nick is beautiful, yes. I mean, Kenny, you can try. I mean, I think they scammed you, but I mean, try with water. Maybe it works. Try with water, Kenny. It could work. So, anyway, so it was, we could go back to God Mommy while I tell the story. No, let me finish telling the story. I mean, Ridomigo don't know that. Why does it feel so that I feel nervous? I mean, I don't know. I mean, do I feel nervous? No. Maybe not, but why would I feel nervous? I mean, cause you're trying to voodoo dolling me? I told you, I think you're using it wrong. Maybe that voodoo doll is only able to give pleasure. I will check the instruction manual first. Anyway, Rito Migo, let's go back to your question. So, yeah, for nearly 4 years. Oh, that's very good. That's very good, Boogie. Very good. So, back in the day, there was the problem with macros. Do you remember that, Boogie? I mean, it was at the very beginning. It was at the very beginning, probably 6 months before after Nikke was released. And people started using macros on emulators. Cause they used macro for Alice. Cause there was this character Alice, and that she used the sniper rifle, and you basically be able to optimize the use of the sniper rifles. I mean, they started using macros, and so what happened that I was an official content creator, and it was this other person. There was this other person that it was inside the we had a Discord, an official content creator Discord. Boogie, I was raised in Japan. I was born in Italy, but I live in Japan since I was 2. I was raised in Japan and I'm in Japan right now. My pronunciation is unique, yes, because my parents are Italian, but I've been living in Japan since I was 2. So I'm not using to anything, it's a power suggestion. Okay, good. Anyway, so people will starting using macro, and there was this other content creator that was an official content creator too. And then he made a video on how to use macros. And then I raged very bad. And I went all in against this person. Oh, thank you very much. And I went all raged against this person, and cause I said it publicly in the official content creator. I said, you're a fucking disgrace for the fucking community. I mean, you are getting paid by this fucking company, and then you make a video on how to fucking abuse macros and which are illegals. And I mean, you are a fucking disgrace to cause you don't have fucking, any fucking sense of respect. Cause you are getting paid, but for getting some fucking views, you are making a video on how to fucking abuse macro. And what happened is that I made that character creator quit the game. Not quit the game, he was rejected, he was expelled from the official Nikke content creator program. I mean, I basically kicked him. Basically, I mean, I brought fucking evidence, and he was fucking kicked out of the. He was a very famous creator. Don't get me wrong, he was a very famous creator. But I mean, that was against the DOS. against the DOS, and they got kicked out. So what happened is that other creators that were friend of him, Luna Hammer, exactly, Luna Hammer, other creators that were friend of him, they started basically making my life impossible inside the Discord. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not playing the victim here. I'm not playing the victim. What I'm trying to say is that, that I really couldn't understand being there anymore. Because it was becoming very fucking annoying. Every day I said something, they were calling me names, they were saying I was a fucking racist, for all the other things, you can even imagine, and not to mention, the moderator of the Discord, especially the one into the fucking official community, that was the period in which the woke fucking movement was at its fucking peak. And that fucking place was fucking woke in a disgusting way. In the worst possible way of what fucking woke can be. Don't get me wrong, I'm not against certain principles. But everything, if you bring to its excess, it's bad, no? Things are not good or bad by themselves. It's how you use them. And so I'm talking on what could be the woke movement if you bring it to the extreme. And so they were basically even worse of the people they were trying to fight against, because the place was so fucking censored. You can't even imagine. It was fucking disgusting. Anyway, and so my life has become a fucking nightmare, and then I quit. I quit for playing, for 1 year and a half, because I was so fucking fed up with that situation. And then I came back last year, because I took 1 year and a half of break. I thought I would have quit YouTube at that point. Are you angry? No, I'm not angry. I'm not angry at all. I'm telling you, I was angry back at time. When that happened, probably I was angry. But I'm not angry anymore. Cause I really didn't like it. I really didn't like it, because that guy did something that was against the laws. And then I was basically witch acted, because I stood up against these things. It was not a pleasant experience, but I'm not trying to blame the victim. I couldn't care less. The problem it was me. The problem it was me. I wasn't strong enough for the backslash, and so that was very hard to stay. And so that's so I quit. And so I quit. I quit a little bit, and and then I came back later. And now here we are. Now here we are. So yeah, I used to play Nick a lot. Nick a lot. So and that's it. So I really love Nick. It's a very beautiful game. So that's why I also keep Rabi here, because I love Rabi a lot also. Rabi was my favorite character inside Nick. I think we have here three of my favorite characters. Hatsune Miku Miya being my absolutely favorite. And then, Chubby and Rabi, they have the same voice actress in Japan. That's probably a very type of characters that I like. Very, very cold on the outside, but very, very deep in the inside. They seem very cold, but they are very, very I don't know the term, but they are very thoughtful on everything, and very aware of what's happening around them. I think it's probably similar to my, I guess, so certain things. But anyway, yeah. So that's what it happened, more or less with Nick. Oh, we got one video. Can we see these things how turned out? Okay, so. Oh, this is very good. This is very good. Look at how fucking she owns the scenes here. Look at that. Oh, we don't have the audio, sorry. We don't have the audio. Maybe now you go listen to it. Look, and now she's owning the scenes here. I mean, look at that.
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven. I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super strict note that says we are not buying appliances today.
Oh.
And how exactly am I supposed to...
Look at that. Look at that. How she owns the position there. It's very well made. Yeah, thank you very much, Boogie. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, it's well made. Thank you very much. Do you want to see my music video? I will show you a little bit of my music video. I have a full music video. It's on my channel. I mean, it's very nice. It's very nice. Let me show a little bit of it to you. You probably never saw that. I mean, I want to show you a little piece of it. I mean, not so much, cause I mean, my viewers have seen this 100 million times, but it's on my channel if you want to see it later. But let me show that to you. So, hey, my lord, you have returned. Welcome back. I am so happy. I mean, yesterday I bashed my lord with a hammer. Do you know the Luna hammer that you were talking earlier, Vito Miko? I mean, I bashed my lord with a hammer yesterday, repeatedly, and then I told him, I mean, you have to get out of your fucking basement. I mean, and you have to come back to the stream, and I mean, I bashed him, bam, very heavily. Till I managed him to come back here today. Well, my lord, well, congratulations. This will be your new basement from now on. I mean, till you die. So, I mean, this is your place now. I mean, enjoy. I mean, and welcome back to the bakery, by the way. So, okay, I was about to show. So, this is for instance, I made Rito Migo is scared. Look at Rito Migo is scared. This me scared of Rito Migo. So, okay, so this is for instance all the stuff I do. Alright, you can listen to this now. One moment. Wait, now you can. Okay. Let's try again.
Welcome to my bakery. Irashaimase. Ready? Step into my candy world, neo sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. Chotto cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. Genkai nante nai. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. Doki doki shite blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. Hitokuchi de lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. One more taste, you're hypnotized. Cocoa on my paradise. Pop cake. 持ってちょうだい Spin it, flip it, taste it やめられないでしょ Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. Amasa motto overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise.
So yeah. I do a lot of stuff like this here, Boggy Gumong. So we do plenty of stuff like this here. We also make song. I can make a song for you if you want. My lord, how long did it take to make the video for the stream? Well, you mean the music video? Well, the music video, that was my first one. It took a lot. I think the first version took me a month, and then I made a second version because I didn't like the first one, and it took me 1 month and a half, almost 2 months to make that. But I mean, I was doing other stuff in the meanwhile, so I mean, I don't know. And now we are making a game. We are making a game. I guess you know nothing, I mean, right, my lord? Because I mean, you were in your basement for so long that you don't know what's going on here recently. So we're making a game, and probably you will like it because you like games. I mean, this is some concept art, and it will be some sort of management clicker game in which you have your you can play as me, and I mean you have your bakery, and I mean you do a lot of stuff. I mean we are building this together, so I mean we are making a lot of art together. So I mean yeah, probably you will enjoy more here now that you'll come back, because we're making a game, and I mean you like games, so probably this is more similar to what you could enjoy normally. I mean, so I mean, it's still probably there's still something that will confuse you, I mean, because probably you won't understand everything. But at least I mean, we are making a game, so that should be more easy for you to understand. And yeah, you probably maybe will end up playing it too when Minute Big Teen should you like it. So who knows? Who knows? So and so cute. Thank you very much, Boogie. So we can make a song if you want. I mean, Boogie. I mean, we can make a song for you. If we can make a song on Nick and Rabbi and a lot of other things if you want. Do you want a song, Boogie? I mean, we can make one. We can make one. I mean, we can absolutely make one if you want. Just let me know, and we can make a song live. So okay, we got this scene done. So we got I think these things can be used, right? I mean this one we just made. So and we also have a second version. Which one is better? Let me see the second one. Was we made that was the first one. Let me see the second one.
Mm-hmm. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven. I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super schedule that says we are not buying appliances today.
Yeah, I like the first one more. But anyway, I really like the first one. First one is
Mm-hmm.
better.
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven. I do not even have a kitchen. I have a game.
Yeah. When she does the fucking pose here with the smug face, I mean, she's such a fucking brat here. I mean, yeah, absolutely. I mean, we will use this probably. Remove probably and replace with absolutely. Yes. So now that we got this, what's the next scene that we have to make, right? I mean, cause we should try to keep pushing a little bit this more, but yeah. Eventually we will get into that too. So I mean, I really want to make a song for Boogie. Maybe we should use some Korean, right? Yeah, let's take a small let's do a song, right? I mean, why not? I mean, for Boogie. I mean, I think it's nice. Yeah, let's make a song. I think it can be very nice, right? So so I need to make I need to cook a song for a new viewer. He's Korean. And he came to the channel and he noticed that I was doing Nikke. Nikke Goddess of Victory in the past, and then he said Nikke is a Korean game, and then we talked about Nikke. And then I told him I was in the Nikke content creator program, and then I mean I was also asked why I stopped playing Nikke due to some happening in the Nick community. But I mean, I don't really want probably to talk about this, about the song, but I mean, I will want to keep it Nick oriented, and in particularly about how much cute is Rappy, because there is this character, which is called Rappy. And also Rappy in Japanese, is the voice actress for Rappy is the same of Nier Automata Jubi. So probably we need a song about these viewers, and we start talking about Nick, and I played Nick in my channel, and then we talk about Rappy, cause you see pictures of Rappy in my channel, in my cosplay room. Yeah, exactly, cause I did the cosplay of Rappy. So okay, maybe you can set it this way, right? Cause the viewer, these Korean viewers comes to my channel, they see my cosplay pictures of Rappy. Yeah, let's keep it this way. Is this my cosplay pictures of Rappy? And then we discuss about Nick, about Rappy, how cool Rappy is, and then maybe we could make a song which is some sort of an anthem to Rappy, and maybe we could add some Korean into the song, something really easy. So it will be English, Japanese, and Korean, right? Just give me some maybe if you need to find information about Rappy, you can find it there. Rappy from Goddess of Victory. Maybe you can get them into from the internet, but the song should be more oriented rather than who is Rappy or whatever, because that could be very boring. Should be oriented about the fact that how good it is to simp for a character you like, right? So maybe Rappy is just the spark about how good it is to simp for the character you like, and maybe we can turn the song into, well, then you should simp for me, right? And maybe you should simp for Puma. Yeah. Probably that's the direction we're going to. So we start with the viewer getting see my Rappy cosplay. We talk how much Rappy is cute and how much characters can inspire you, and then the song become you should sing for me, and it should be also a little bit in Japanese, English, and Korean. Okay, right? Give me your best lyrics and the song prompt. Okay, yeah, maybe you should sing for me, right? Because that's the whole point, right? Maybe you should need Brat Luna needs our cakes. Yeah, probably not Brat Luna need all your money, but not yours. Everyone's here in general. Probably that's what Gatti Luna need the most. If you see my bank account is in red, but that's what Gatti Luna needs. But I guess when Shigan gives you cake for money, I guess it's the opposite, my lord. She gives you cake, but she demands blood sacrifice with cash. That's the situation. In which Bratti Luna is. She doesn't even have a kitchen. Because they took the kitchen away because she couldn't pay the debt. So that's the situation of Bratti Luna. She's about to become a gangster. Because she's fucking broke. Anyway, let's make a song, right? Let's make a song. So yeah, probably Bratti Luna has become a gangster. And she's robbing the viewer. That's will probably be the next song after that. Bratti Luna is a fucking gangster. Yeah, right. That should be the next thing of the song, right? Absolutely. So yes. Bratti Luna is a fucking gangster. Yeah. You need your money for your weapon and give you the sacrifice too. Yeah. I'm not saying. It wasn't talking about you. My lord. I will never. Oh, welcome back, Hilaria. We had this discussion 100 times before, right? You don't have to apologize. I just do my job here. You don't have to apologize here. You don't have even to explain anything. And it wasn't towards you, my lord. It was in general. Anytime I see an opening, to beg for money, I'm going for it. But that's my job. I have to sell cakes, and you shouldn't feel You shouldn't feel sorry at all if you get buy cakes at the. So you don't even owe me an explanation. So don't take that personal. Don't take that personal. I'm just trying to sell my stuff. Cause I have to. Period. Cause that's what I do. I mean, cause I have to get a beer. I have to get a beer, and I mean the beer is not going to get killed by itself. So anyway, yeah, don't take that personal. And Ilaria, Bentornata, welcome back. We're making a new song, so I mean you probably heard the song and you came back as soon as the song was here. So probably that did the trick, right? I mean that did the trick. We're making a new song for a Korean friend that I don't know where did go now at the moment, but yeah, probably still here, maybe, hopefully still here. I hope he is. And
Welcome to my bakery.
no, I don't need this here. What I need is, so I need to copy also the lyrics, and I need to copy the lyrics, and then yeah, don't take it personally. Don't take, I mean, when I asked, I mean, yesterday we talked a lot. I mean, it is really possible that the things that you took after all the long discussion we had yesterday was, I mean, money? I mean, we talked for a fucking lot. I mean, it's never been about money. I mean, go read the whole fucking long chat we had yesterday. I mean, it's never about money, my lord. It was never about money. I mean, don't think that. I mean, cause it's not the point. It's not the point. Well, obviously, I mean, I'm going to do puppy eyes to you as soon as I can. Cause I mean, obviously, I mean, but that's not the main point. That's just me being a bitch. I mean, but it's not the point. We had a very long discussion yesterday, and the point was not absolutely that. The point was not that. Okay, let's talk about this. So, okay, Rabbi got you here. Okay, very nice, very nice. So, very nice. Let's have a listen to this. Actually, in the music room, right? Why not? Yeah, let's bring this to the music. And also, before this thing goes berserk with double audio, we need to add this here. And let's go back this here. Okay, that probably is playable.
안녕, new name in chat. You saw the photo on my wall. Red scarf, battle heart, Luna in the cosplay call. You said Nike is Korean, like you opened up a door. I said I know, I cooked there once. Then Rappy smiled once more. I had to create a badge, I had the guts to flame. Some chapters stay off camera. Tonight we skip the pain. No ostro, no foreign war, no recipe to reheat. Just one cute soldier on the wall, making both our hearts beat. You pointed at the picture, I went, yes, that one is mine. Rappy kawaii, hontamuri, red signal on the timeline. A favorite is a spark, a banner in the dark. A tiny little reason to protect your silly heart. 좋아하면 좋아해, 스키 나라 스키대. If one character makes you smile, then chat, that is enough for me. Rappy got you here, Luna makes you stay. 오시가 도토리, say it every day. Rappy 최고, Luna도 좋아해. You came for the cosplay, now you are in my cafe. Rappy got you here, Luna steals the play. 너무 귀여워, kawaii all day. Simp for the one who lights your screen, then turn that sparkle back to me. Rappy got you here, Luna keep you near. Rappy 최고, Luna 최고. One more heart in the bakery glow. You said her voice it's different. I said wait, you know the thread. That to be echo in the signal. Now the brain is seeing red. Commander, new mission, no hesitation. Support your Oshi in proper formation. People act like I'm so hard because the answer is clear. One fictional girl can turn a normal night sincere. A PNG, a memory, a voice line, a pose, and suddenly your tired heart has somewhere cute to go. And Lappy, okay, I see. But next poo, darling, save one Come take it from me. No need to be shy. If Robbie is the reason, then Luna is the reply. 같이 가자. 이끌려 tonight. From Korean game talk to bakery life. Robbie got you here. Luna makes you stay. 오시가 도도히 say it every day. Robbie 최고. 루나도 좋아해. You came for the cosplay. Now you are in my cafe. Robbie got you here. Luna steals the play. 너무 귀여워. kawaii all day. Sing for your favorite. Sing for the dream. Then simple little bit from me. Rocky, 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 Rocky got you here. That part is true, but welcome to the bakery. This song is for you. 어서 와, 마다 기대네.
But that had a lot of Korean vibe for sure. That had a lot of Korean vibe for sure. I mean, Korean is probably one of the languages I would love to talk. I mean, because K-pop is so fucking amazing, and I mean, I really wish I was able to understand more K-pop, but I can't. 3 languages are already hard enough, and I mean, so imagine adding K-pop here to the mix. That would probably be, I mean, but that would be nice, right? I mean, imagine also being able to speak Korean, Chinese, Russian, and Spanish. I mean, we do K-pop here, exactly. We do K-pop here, exactly. We don't do K-pop, we do K-pop, exactly. Exactly, that's K-pop. But anyway, we do K-pop. We do K-pop, right? We absolutely do K-pop, a lot of K-pop. So we do a lot of K-pop. So and we can try to see. I mean, we can try to have a look. I mean, I'm not completely sure, but I want to push this a little bit more now that we have the new render, right? Because we now have the new render, so we can probably push this a little bit, right? Let me close soon before it deletes my memory. And then this was the good cut, right? We decided that this one is the good cut, so we can try to put this here. We can try to put this into Premiere, and let's see how the new version is going, right? I mean, because that could work, right? That could absolutely work, right? Not this year. And one thing that I know for sure is that that's not the real audio, but Seedance changes it a little bit. So I need to take the other audio and see if we can actually. I think it's this one, right? Yeah, that's it. That's the real audio. Probably I need to do the volume of the episodes. We import these things here, right? Yes, and well, it's relatively similar. Oh, it's relatively similar. You see that got expanded a lot. You see the difference between the original and the one that Seedance made. So that they are not the same audio, because Seedance is inventing stuff, right? And this was one of the problems I had with the previous generation. So let's listen one moment to the original, and then we decide. Well, this things also should be bigger, right? Should be bigger, and so let's have a look.
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven. I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super strict note that says we are not buying appliances today.
Okay, that's the video one. That's the video one. Let's see the original, how it plays. So let's solo the track here.
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen, I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today.
So we need to fix this. Because I want to use my original audio rather than this one, right? Because, I mean, I think I mean, it's not that the other one is bad, but it's not my audio either. And I mean, if we, that's pretty cool. Thanks, thank you very much, thank you very much. So I think one thing we can do, we can put this earlier here. We can put this earlier, and but the problem is here, right? That's the problem. We can then cut this here more or less, I think. Then move this here, right? That should do it. And but it still has a long tail here. It has a very long tail here. So I'm not sure this is going to work, but we can try, right? Let's see.
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen, I have a gaming chair.
Oh, okay, this is late. This is late. The gaming chair is there. Okay, good. The gaming chair part is there. The gaming chair part is there. So this is the part that needs to get moved. Okay, wait. So how does these things work? I have a gaming chair is here, right? So let's check.
I have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen, I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says.
Oh, okay. So that's it. That's it, right? That's it, right? So okay. So I guess it's something like that, right? Then probably here there is a small pause, right? There's a small pause here. There is a small pause here, and I need to remerge these two. There was a command to merge things again. I don't remember which one it is. Anyway, no. I think I will just manually select them. I think I'll just manually select these two. That probably should do the trick, right? If I bring this here, I mean, I don't know. Let's see.
I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today.
Okay, now it's way better. Now it's way better. I mean, I would probably replace just this. But, I mean, it's surely way better, right? Probably this pause is a little bit too long. And probably we can maybe, I mean, maybe move this a little bit here. Just a little bit here, probably. And this part, I mean, just moving a little bit. I mean, not so much, just a pair of frames. Let's see how it is. I mean, probably we have to refix it earlier. But I mean, I really didn't like the pauses that they were too long. So let's have a look.
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen, I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today.
Okay, that's way better. I mean, the pauses are still a little bit long, but I guess we can make that way, right? I mean, it could be that way, right? Can work this way, right? And then we have the part in which the chat asks Luna, turn back, you have an oven behind you. That's what's next. Yeah, I think we can temporarily save this. We can temporarily save this for sure. And we probably can unlink this. Right? I mean, let me mute this one. Or let me check.
And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen, I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today.
Okay, well, better for sure. I mean, not exactly perfect, but I mean, there's nothing really I can do because I mean, Sedance, I mean, invents different audio. I mean, I would use Sedance audio, but it changed the part. It changed the part from the script. So, I mean, I really don't know what to do with the current technology because that's a technology gap, and there isn't really much we can do here at the right? So what we can put here after that, I mean, the thing that should go here after that should be, I mean, if I remember correctly, should be the chat thing. I mean, look back with the chat, right? Because there's I did that maybe with the other seeders, right? With the one that is inside the, I don't remember anymore which seeders I did it, but that's probably I had to check here. So that's one. That was one, but I'm not sure it was this one. Because we had see if. So that was also another one, but I don't think it was this one. We had a different one that was actually good. Probably is on the other one, right?
There
It
is
was,
no oven behind.
yeah, we had a different one. I have to find it. We have to find it. Just for, maybe it's on the other engine. Let me see. Oh, it probably is here, right? It's probably here, right? Let me see. Videos is probably here, right? My videos? Yeah, probably is here. I have to check this. I have to check this was probably inside this. Is inside this.
Guys, what are you talking about? Is something behind me?
So that's see that's completely changes the stuff. But there was one cat that was quite decent. I have to remember where I put that cat over here.
There is no oven behind my.
Oh yeah. This probably does could work for this part, right? I mean,
There is no oven behind.
so you see, right? Maybe that could work. I mean, hey Dima, welcome Dima, welcome. So we need a combination of both of these and let's try to see if we can edit them together. Okay, that's not it. Probably this one too. We need a combination of these things here, of all of them, and we really need to edit them. How my mood is today? Oh well, we're doing great, Dima. We're doing great. I'm working on the intro of the game. We're working on the intro of the game, and we're trying to make a very good intro for the game. And at the moment, this is how it starts, and we're going to the next part. I mean, you can have a look if you want.
And that is why, mathematically, the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. And that is why.
So, I mean, this still really need a lot of extra visual effect, I think. It reminds you of 2000 interactive puzzles, probably. Probably we could add some puzzles into the game too. Why not? I mean, it reminds you of the interactive puzzles. Yeah. I think that what you're talking about, because these things now they went to mobile, right? They were original for PC, but now that a lot of these games are on mobile phone. I think I played some of them. I mean, and so after this, or Dora the Explorer. I never played Dora the Explorer, but I think I understand what you say about the mobile thing. So we have a total of I think 7 different cats to do these scenes. And oh, probably this was the best one. I have to check.
There's no one behind me.
So yeah, probably this was good, right? Good, we could have used a combination of a bit of this, and then we had some other stuff. Here I think I need to use Suno to spread to divide the audio eventually to get just the breath, because the breath is very nice. So you watch the TV series. Oh, very nice. I mean, I really don't even I really don't know anything about Dora. I mean Dora the Explorer. No, I really don't know anything about that. Oh yeah, that's good. So we can use a piece
There's
of
no
this.
one behind.
We can use a piece of this. We can.
There's
Oh, okay. We got this. So we mix a pair of these things together, and then it goes to Luna touching the oven, and then the oven speaks, right? Yeah. I think we got this. I think probably. I mean, we have to work on the audio and then make it perfect. I mean, but that's not something we have necessary to fix right now. I mean, I'm more interested into video continuity because audio can be fixed. So we start with this, and we add this here, no? We add these things here, probably up to before she changes. And then we add the other one, right? We add the other one in which she actually turns, and she's super fucking surprised, right? I mean, something like that. I mean, yeah, something like this, right? I mean, and then we had this part here probably. I mean, we will need to fix the. And then maybe we take it from here, right? Something like that. Maybe we got the beginning and probably something like that. I'm backpack. No, I don't know that.
There's no one.
I don't know that. I'm backpack. I don't know that. Yeah, probably this could be maybe up to here, right? Something like that. I mean, I really don't really completely. Maybe we keep just this part here, right? I mean, we'll work just this part here, I guess. Could probably work just this part, right? And we fix it like this way, right? Yeah, I am too young, probably, exactly too young. Unless, I mean, yeah, no, I don't remember that. I'm backpack, no, I don't at all. Absolutely, I don't. Probably, we need the part in which she actually turned, I think, to make it even better, I mean. Oops. Yeah, and we need this part and we reverse it, right? We need this part and we reverse it. I think that's better. That's probably better. If we take this part here, and we reverse the speed. Unlink the audio from the video. We reverse the speed here. We reverse the speed and because we want them to turn into the opposite direction, right? We reverse the speed and we then use and then we probably do this, right? I mean, that could probably work, right? So there is continuity between the cuts from cut 1 from cut 2, right? Because she's still Alright, except it should start here, right? It starts here. And that should work, right? I guess. So, Stella, no, Stella has a cold. You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine. She has no voice at all. Today we talked and she was like, Fiona, I have no voice. I have no. She got a cold. I mean, she has absolutely no voice at all. She has no voice at all. Poor Stella. She has absolutely no voice at all. She got a very bad cold and she cannot talk at all. So yeah, probably we need for Stella to get better before to feel better before she can even come here. But she was feeling shit probably. So and then we need the audio here, right? That should probably be there's nothing behind me. And then the oven then she finds the fucking oven, right? And then she goes to the fucking oven. Right, something like that. I mean, it should be something like that. I mean, I think probably assuming we can get this in a good way, right? I mean, probably that should be the part, right?
There is no
At last.
So is this part, I think, B3A, right? I think it's this. There is no oven behind my... Yeah, that's probably should be this. That should go here, right? I mean, I think very, very slowly. Yeah, probably, right? Something like that, and maybe it starts from here. Let's see what. There is no oven behind my. No, this needs to be. This needs to be. There is no oven behind my. And then we probably, okay, we cut this here. Oh, you see, this is way more complicated than it looks like. I mean, the same scene. I mean, but to make it look remotely usable. I mean, and then there was this the when she started here. Yeah, we probably pick just this part, right? We pick this part, and and then yeah, then probably with a cut here on or something like that, right? Maybe with a zoom, so that it's a little bit more dramatic. So right, and she started by seeing the oven, right? Something like that. I mean, I'm not even sure.
appliances today.
There is no oven behind my.
There's no one behind.
And then she and then she goes to the oven, right? And then she goes to the oven. And that's she should go from there to the oven and touch the oven, right? Cause that should be more or less the sequence. I mean, it won't be fucking perfect, cause I mean it's still quite very messy. But I mean that should be more or less the sequence. We better say this, right?
And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. There is no oven behind my... And
So
that is
That's more or less, I mean, it still needs some tweaks. It still needs some tweaks, but I mean, I guess it's the base. Then from here, she go touch the oven. Okay, from here, she go touch the fucking oven, right? Then this is probably a scene that we have to fine tune. Or we have here or we have, I mean, something like, I mean, the oven that appears behind fucking Luna, seen by the back. I mean, that could be, I mean, also a scene. We could even use a JPEG here. I mean, not necessarily this needs to be a video. This could also be an image, right? That we put here. Like, I mean, let me see if we have something here. Not into the 17th folder, probably in the 18 or 19 folders. Let me see, lesson 2 or let me see. Where do we have that? Chibi outfit. Lesson 1, not here. Game intro tutorial, not this. Not down here. Then we have Luna Chibi detail. Prologue. There's a whole folder with the whole prologue we made. What is that? Where that did go? Okay, supervised batch. Okay, now we talk. Probably inside here. So let's have a look at these prologue scenes. Because probably there is one that can be used, right? Can be used for the scene in which she see the ovens, right? I mean, from the back. I mean, I need, because we have this here already, but that's not exactly. Oh, okay, that's also something. Okay, that's also something. Oh, we can have this here. We can have this here with the oven. I mean, that does some really weird shit here, right? I mean, that could be absolutely the good part, with the oven doing some weird shit, because the angle should be like this. I mean, Luna's in by back, and she sees the oven, right? Because we need something like that here. We really need something like that. Let's see if we have more of this. Let's see if we have more of these things here. See from the back. I mean, because probably we need more of this. We need a little bit more of this. And I think I have more. We have this also one here. Let's see if we have another thing from the back. Oh, that's also very that's a little bit too much, probably. That's too much. That's also could be. That also could be. Yeah, that could also be something. I mean, maybe. I don't know. We need to see. I really need to find a good images for the over here. I really need to find a good image for the over here. Maybe there's something here. Folks, we did a good something. Okay. This you have Luna here standing. Okay, that's also not bad. I mean, we could use this in which Luna turns and see the oven. But actually, this could be even better. I mean, remember to drink water. Yes, Ilaria will. Actually, we could use this. I mean, we could use this. And then Luna turns and see the oven. That's not bad at all. I mean, this is also very cute. I mean, this is very cute. I mean, but do we have, I mean, something, I mean, I don't know. I think which one is the best to add here? I mean, for continuity reason, probably we need to generate more. We really need to generate more here. Probably that's the only option here, right? But this is the moment in which she turns and see the oven, right? I mean, and that's not exactly, I mean, the head, dear Jesus, poor Luna, I mean, poor me, I mean, hey, Leo, welcome to the bakery, Leo, welcome to the bakery. Hola, Leo, hola, a mí no habla español, mi habla English, Japonese, Italiano. Sorry, I do not speak Spanish, Leo. Welcome to my bakery, Leo. Welcome to my bakery. Welcome to the bakery, Leo. So, which one should drink water? Grazie, Daria, yes. Which one do we need here? Which one do we need here? Cause we need something here. We absolutely need something here. Absolutely. So, which one is the best one that we can put here? That is probably going to... we could have this. But that means that we have to change... we have to change the... Well, we can try with this. We can absolutely try with this. That's probably also could fix a lot of things. She turns and she see the fucking oven. Yeah, probably let's try this. It also fixes some continuities because she's on a chair. But let's try this. And let's see how it works. It's very complicated because even if you give storyboards things to do to the AI, it's not guaranteed that you get the themes right? Actually, we also have this here. What was this? Oh, we probably have something here already. Let me see. Oh, let me see. What we had something here already. And that could work, but this could work. We can use this maybe. Should we? Should we use this? Should we use this? Should we? She has already a nice face here. Maybe this is what we need. We don't need other generation. This could work here, right? Probably we could make this work, I guess. We could make that work. So is that with the end? We start with this here. And we then put the other one. Could absolutely work. Why not? That could be exactly what we need. And boom. That could be exactly what we just need. And period. End of the discussion. I need one more audio track, right? Actually, I think I just need to unlink and remove the audio because probably that's the best thing. Remove the audio here and we can put this here, right? Because we can then have yeah, probably don't need this here anymore, right? We can mute this. Then mute this, just watch it like this. Also probably we need this speaker. Could work. Could work. We remove some tension, but could work, right? And then she could touch the oven. Could work, right? Could work. Why not? It could absolutely work, right? It could absolutely work. And then maybe here, she's surprised. She checks here. And then she's surprised, right? Then probably we had the surprise here, right? Like rather than having the oven glow, we had the surprise. Like she is a little bit. She's a little bit fucking wow, right? What's the fucking going on here, right? by something like that. And exactly here, we got to this. Could probably work. Could probably work. Could probably work. Right? Why not? Could work, right? Could work. Could work. And then she goes checking. She goes checking the oven, right? Could work. Why not? I think this can absolutely work, right? Can absolutely work. We got this. Say turn around, check the chat. She turns check. She's surprised, and then here we have Chappie. We have Chappie that explains, what this fucking oven is about, right? And we made this already. We made this already. So that could probably this could probably work. But could be nice. And then we have Chappie here, and Chappie says,
Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained and
yeah, probably we can use this. We can use this, right? We can put this. We just need to fix a little bit the audio, but that can absolutely work. That can 100% work, and we add Chappie here, and Chappie start from this, right? And then as soon as Luna see this,
Manager note, I flagged the oven. Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room in
There is no oven behind my.
Manager note,
yeah, maybe there's it goes directly on Chappie. It goes directly on Chappie. It goes directly on shopping. We don't need this either. Could be another variant of the same thing, right? We could have another variation which we have directly. It goes from here to Chappie.
Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room inventory.
Well, I think we need the Luna. We need the Luna expression here. So you know what we're going to do here. I know what we're going to do here. No, I'll tell you what we're going to do here. We are doing a first frame, last frame technique. So we're going to do a first frame, last frame techniques here, which is from here. From here we probably can, if we zoom this out a little bit more, if we zoom this out a little bit more to the point that we see Chappie, okay, and if we bring Chappie in the frame, right, like this, and we can do a first frame, last frame technique. Then we make a small 1 second transition from this into Chappie. So we export this frame. Oh, this is so fucking interesting. Yes. That's going to be so fucking cool as a transition. Because we save this frame and this start frame. Right, that's probably the start frame. Right? And we need this to 150, right? 150, and this is the end frame. We export this and we go to end frame, right? And then we go here. Probably I need to get again my note. My note GPT here. We go into videos. And we go here. We go here in incidence. I think fast can do the job. Yeah, probably fast can do the job. And 1 second. we don't, that's only 4 seconds yet, seriously? Can't I even do 1 fucking second translation that things here? No, the shortest is 4 seconds. Oh my goodness, that's very annoying. That's very annoying here. Include sound, no? We don't have a 2-second option here. That's very annoying. This is probably going to be very, very bad. I mean, if we want to do first frame, last frame, end frame. So, image 1 is the first frame. Image 2 is the last frame. So, a quick transition. A quick transition between image 1 at first frame to image 2 to image 2 last frame. Okay, let's hope Sidans get this correctly. I mean, I think the 4 second is the issue here, but I think this can work very well. I mean, if these things, I mean, get it done properly, I mean, we got this really smooth transition in which the camera zooms from Luna to Chappie, and then Chappie goes is into Magic Thing Manager. Note this I archived the oven into the appliances, and I mean, and then we got this very good good transition between that things and that part, and then I mean Luna goes there and touches the oven. Oh, may I touch your oven? Oh, look at this. Look at this. That's so horny. May I touch the oven? Oh. Why does it sound so horny? I mean, may I touch the oven? It sounds very horny, right? I mean, what's so horny into may I touch the oven? But I think it's very horny, right? 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 I guess so. This really needs a very good and solid sound design to make this sounds very good, right? This needs really some really good solid sound design to make it sound very good. But I mean, sound designs can come later. I mean, cause sound design is probably is not. I mean, is the polishing. I really need to work on the sequence, because these are the stuff that takes ages to make. But then we add the sound design and boom, with effects and things and maybe some transition, and this boom breaks everything. I mean, then it's very good. I'm using credits here because I want to see generated these things very fast, so we can move to the next step. Very go. So let's see. Let me see. Let me do this. So yeah, even with credits, you see, even by spending credits, look at how much it fucking takes to make a small transition. But the time, I mean, this is 4 seconds. I mean, it's taking ages. It's literally taking ages, cause I'm out of credits here. I have to go with the ultra slow generation, which takes 30 minutes per video, 35 minutes. But yeah, I mean, this stuff really takes a lot of time just to make a small introduction for the game or whatever. So actually, I mean, they're probably, because you can even run them in parallel. Because I mean, yes, you can if you have a lot of credits, but can I use a simple fade? Well, I mean, I can use a simple fade. Yes, I can use a simple fade. But the point is that the cat is too brutal. The cat. I think that the cat is too brutal, because I mean, why the fuck should Chappie start talking like that? I mean, cause you see, I mean, if you see the first, not the first, if you see if you see the narration of the video, okay, well, mind that, I mean, that are part of audience that I have to fix, no? Okay, you have Chappy here at the beginning,
And
right?
that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be bullying on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Mm-hmm. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. There is no oven behind my...
Manager note, I flagged
So you see, I think we need more than a fade, we need a zoom toward Chappy. Something that is very zoom, like, a zoom toward that. Maybe I should have asked for a zoom, right? Probably my prompt is bad. Maybe if this prompt failed, I wouldn't ask for a zoom. Right, a quick transition. Oh, okay, that's also something, Oh, that's also something, right? That's also something. He made it this way. That's how he made it. Not exactly how I was expecting him to make it by. Oh, actually, this is nice, I guess, probably. This could actually be nice, right? Something like that. But I think I want that zoom, right? Let me try to see. Let me say. A camera movement. A camera movement. That for from image one first ends to image to last frame. Let's try with camera movement. That's not bad. It's not bad either. That one. But I think I want a camera movement there. I want a camera movement that goes from that to the other part, right? That could be nice, right? A camera movement. So we move from that into the other things. And then maybe this display moves, right? Cause we have to create these displays from nothing, right? So if we have a camera movement with displays appearing behind Chappy, could be nice, right? Cause it would be a better transition. Cause Chappy's there. You see, Chappy's here. Chappy is already here. If you see, he is already here. You see at the bottom, he's already here. So we just need some camera movement and the things. Yeah, probably fade also could work. I don't know. We will try. We will try several things until we get something that is decent. Yeah, but yeah, maybe I'm too much of a perfectionist. Maybe probably for a game that maybe just 3 people will play. 10 boogies a shit. I could take out fucking garbage, but I want to take down the beer. I want to make something that made in 50 years. It's not so pure garbage. Cause I think that if there's something that you don't like it, and then you let it go because who cares? Then these things piles up a lot. These things piles up a lot, and I already have to deal with image generation. That even if characters are consistencies, the environment is left and right, and sizes sometimes are very wrong. Even if I give them indication in size, because the AI is still very immature at this point, right? So why should I add more randomness to all the randomness that is already here? So I'm more trying to do damage control, I think, rather than polishing. I think I'm doing damage control here, because the AI still is very irresponsible, and even with screenplays and the locations and everything, it still makes a lot of mistakes. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, one other option is that you just give all the characters to Sidans. And then you give a map of the area, and I mean Sidans does all the rendering. But I noticed that when you do that way, the quality is very bad. The quality is very bad. Then I mean, at least maybe for anime, in realistic places, I mean, if you do realism with real people, I mean, it tends to become very better. But for animation, it still has a lot of limitations. So has this thing's done? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. But it's close. So I mean, I don't know. But I want this film to feel relatively smooth and with. I mean, there would be a lot of errors anyway. I mean, a really good critic. I mean, that knows something about movies. I mean, will notice a lot of small errors. I mean, the room is slightly different. I mean, the position and the sizing is slightly different. I mean, that there will be already plenty of chaos in these things. Plenty of it. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, I noticed the chaos, and I want to tone it down to a point in which is, I don't know, manageable or not so intruding to the point that it breaks immersion. Because as long as you can be immersed, you keep your immersion. I mean, I guess that's good, right? It's the point that immersion is broken that then you. Oh, look at this! Oh, look at this! Isn't this better? Isn't this better? I mean, look at that! Isn't this 100 times better? I mean, look at this! So, look at this! And that's exactly what we need here. I mean, look at this. And we have this. Why is this so big, these things? Why is this thing so big?
Manager note, I flagged the oven in
Was this thing so fucking big? Okay, I guess it is. But anyway, so maybe we can speed it up, right? We can speed it up, but we can speed this up,
Manager
right? We can speed this up, and by the way, this needs to be 150, right? 207. So this is probably 150. I think I'm pretty sure. 150, right? I mean.
Manager note, I flagged.
And if these things, it has a speed that is 4 times, and it's just 1 second. Oh, this now clicks very well. Look at that. I mean, at least I think it should click very well. Because if you play this at 400% speed now, and it's a very fast transition. There you have.
Manager note, I flagged the oven.
You see, and then you would move, and then you go directly into this. Oh, we can make it even faster, right? Probably 600% is also good, right? I mean, like speed, probably 600 can also work, right? I mean, maybe, right? I mean,
Manager note, I flagged.
yeah, something like that. I mean, you see, and it's way better. I mean, way better here. Right? I mean, especially if you put a whoosh or a wolf or something like that. I mean, which we can take instantly. You like it? Yeah. You see, Raya, it's way better now. It's way better. I mean, we just need a whoosh now. So I think we can whoosh something like this. I mean, give me a fucking whoosh, something like, I mean, very small. I mean, very quick. I mean, maybe that's too much. I mean, okay, something like this, and then you go directly into the things. Now you put just this sounds effect, right? I mean, something. But that's too much maybe. But I mean, something really small whoosh. I mean, this is a big whoosh. good. Okay, this is good. For instance, you take this, and then you put, and then, I mean, when we do sound design, I mean, because we're not going doing sound design now, but I mean, just so you understand, I think I need another audio track here. Can we add an audio track here? Not yet. Can we please add one more audio track here? Can we? Can we add one more audio track here? Add new caption, add tracks. Okay, add tracks. After audio 3. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, so it made it at the top, but doesn't matter because it's just audio, right? It doesn't really matter. So and then we put the whoosh here, right? We put the whoosh here and we just put one whoosh in. Big whoosh one. Okay, what was this one? Oops. Oh, this is perfect. I mean, and then you put the whoosh here, right? I mean, you put the whoosh here and you have it like, I mean, here, I mean, something like this, but I mean, with a really low volume, I mean, obviously, I mean, not so intrusive, but I mean, something like, I mean,
Manager
okay, that is too big, and also it was too low, but I mean, probably something like that.
Manager note.
Oh, you see, listen to that. I mean, it needs some tweaks, but I mean, that's it, right? I mean, that's the transition. That's that.
Manager note. I flagged the oven in the room
And then you have the switch, right? And becomes comical again. Goes from the suspense, and then you have choppy the sounds and switch back to comical, you know? From the mystery moment, boom, zoom back into the thing. So you mean I think this is 100 times better than a fade in. I mean, this is 100 times better than a fade in. And I mean, maybe I'm super fucking perfectionist or super fucking annoying or whatever. But I think we nailed it. We just need the sound audio, the audio, and to be fixed and everything.
Appliances today. There is no oven behind my.
Manager note. I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained and
So you see that's already where the fuck am I? I mean, you know, immediately. I mean, started with a stream. I mean, magic fucking oven appears. It's choppy that says fucking nonsense. I mean, and then you want you are in. I mean, you can't break immersion. I mean, doesn't matter. I mean, it really needs to be the least breaking immersion as possible because the more you are in the story, inside the story, I mean, the less you notice the slop. Cause it's plenty. I still see plenty of slop around me. I mean, we are surrounded by slop. I mean, we are absolutely surrounded by slop. But if you make it immersive enough, I mean, then you don't really care about the slop at all, right? Cause you're now in the story. And you're not watching, I mean, that the furniture is a little bit different and then the keyboard probably has changed position 5 fucking times during the whole scene. I mean, you know what I mean? Cause if the story is not taking you, then you start watching all these stupid details. I mean, why this fucking kitchen? I mean, has changed fucking 500 times. I mean, or whatever, you know. So, cause that's then what's happened next. I mean, that you then start caring of all these details that you shouldn't see because the story should take you there. By the way, okay, that's good. I mean, we have almost 40 seconds of the intro. Then it comes the oven, right? Luna goes to the oven, touches the oven, and the oven starts talking, right? I mean, I was here for 1,000 years. Because then the thing we got the scenes already, right? Probably. I think this was one of the things we did earlier. I mean, I didn't watch that, but I guess it works maybe.
At last, 1,000 years I waited, cold, unregarded, behind the gaming chair. At last,
So very, very stupid, right? But then you have the oven talking. And I mean, or maybe we put the scenes with Luna that gets close to the oven. I mean, I
At
don't know.
last, 1,000 years I waited, cold and unguarded, behind the gaming chair.
So
At last,
so
at last, at last.
why
A
this thing is so fucking stupid? I mean, why the fucking talking oven? What the fucking I am doing with my life? I mean, what am I doing with my life? I mean, a fucking talking oven that is a god. I mean, please, someone, take me away from this madness, because before I still have room for redemption. I mean, why is a fucking oven sexy? Why is this fucking thing so fucking sexy? I mean, Jesus. And I was criticizing my sister that she was simping on a fucking candle. And then we have sexy ovens talking here. I mean, what do you think, Hilaria? I mean, what do you think, Hilaria? Yeah, look at that. Look at that talking over. Watch that. It may convert into a cat into a sim. But yeah, I mean, what do you think, Hilaria? I mean, a fucking sexy talking oven. I mean, look at this. You are you're flabbergasted. You see? I mean, you see? By the way, I mean, talking of simp scenes, I mean, this is my sister. I mean, I think I still have this here. This is my sister screaming for a fucking candle. I think I hope I still have this here. Yeah, look at this.
Raga, ma si può mai simpare per una candela? Guarda, oh mio Dio, no, aspetta. Raga, ma si può mai simpare per una candela? Guarda, oh mio Dio, no, aspetta.
And you see, that's my sister. That's my sister. You see, that's my sister. You see, so this is so was we were having this discussion yesterday, no? So that's my sister. But I mean, I'm feeling the same right now. I mean, I see this this oven talking. I see this oven talking, and I mean, and then I think, well, are you busy tonight? Do you want to go out with me tonight? I mean, cause I feel the cold here. I mean, look at that.
At last, 1,000 years I waited, cold and unguarded, behind the gaming.
Please, let's cook together. I mean, instantly. Let's bake some cakes. Right now. I mean, look at you. Look at you with that moon there. So fucking sexy. I mean, so fucking sexy. I mean, yeah. I mean, we need a fucking, let's do this. Let's do this. I mean, let's do this right now. I know what I have to do next now. I mean, I find the meaning of life. I mean, instantly. I mean, let's go. What is Codex? What is Codex? I mean, one moment. I mean, give me Codex. So, you know, we have the oven character sheet in the repository. I want you to make a really cool and sexy male anime character out from the oven. So you take the design of the oven and you make a really cool looking male anime character, and a good, you know, vertical portrait or vertical full body picture, I don't know. And maybe you make it sit there into the light bakery or stand into the light bakery like if he fucking owns the fucking room. Yeah, so I mean, it's a form, should an Italian accent. Well, I mean, I think the next evolution is we humanize him and we fuck him, obviously, because I mean that's usually what happens next, right? Right? Because I mean, when you have this moment, then you humanize them and then you make a bot and then you have fun with the bot. So I think I found my fun today. Today I will spend time with the oven. I mean, I am sold out. I mean, I am sold out, and I will show you who I'm going to bang today. I mean, the oven. The oven is absolutely, it will be my husband for today. And I'm building it right now in chat. Shame, without shame, I mean, without shame. We are going to build the ultimate oven, I mean. And it will be my partner for today. I decided like this right now. And yes. The oven. The oven. Absolutely yes. I mean, with that voice, I mean, come on, let's go. Let's go for a ride. I mean, let's cook. Let's cook. So, I mean, there was this guy. There was this guy when I was still playing games. He was called Oreo Cookie. And he made my stream and we tried to become friends, and then I thought let's make a collab together. But I scared him so much that he ran away. I scared him so much that he ran away because he said to me, what kind of collab do we want to do? And then I told him about Archive of Your Own. And in case you don't know, do you know what Archive of Your Own is, Iraya? Have you ever been there? I mean, probably you are, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure you are. Do you know Archive of Your Own? I mean, tell me you do. I mean, otherwise, I mean, I would love to teach you. I would love to teach you a lot of things, Ilaria. I mean, seriously. Tell me that you know of Archive of Your Own. Otherwise, I mean, I'm going to teach you everything right now. And in the next 100,000 messages after that, I mean, in the following days, I mean, tell me that you know of Archive of Your Own. And so anyway, so this Oreo cookie, is called Oreo cookie, said, oh, you know that, you know Archive of Your Own, yeah, you know that, yeah, very good. I was sure you knew about it, yeah. Best fan fiction ever. And so I said, what kind, oh, look at that. Look at that. I mean, look at that. The oven, look at that. Look at that, the oven. The oven is here, I mean, yeah, probably I'm going to date the oven. Later. We're going to date the oven tonight. I mean, not exactly as much as sexy as I was expecting. Maybe it needs some tweaks. It needs some tweaks here and there, but not really my type. But maybe when he starts speaking, I mean, I waited 1,000 years. So you don't know about you don't know. Explain. So Archive of Your Own is a place for fanfiction. Okay, fanfiction and mostly written by girls. So it's mostly girl fanfiction written by girls for girls. And okay, you can find all the weird stuff there. I mean, and there is this game that is called Cookie Kingdom. And both my mom and my sister, they had a crush for this cookie, which is called espresso cookie. Okay, espresso cookie. And I mean, I want you. Have you ever seen espresso cookie? Have you ever seen it? Espresso cookie. Espresso cookie. Okay. Espresso cookie. Okay. So yeah, this is espresso. Okay. And both my mom and my sister, they had a small crush on espresso. Okay. Something. I mean, nothing. Well, I mean, let's say quite the crush on espresso, right? And so I mean, I was telling this to this guy, which his name was Oreo, because he was telling me, well, which kind of collab do we want to do? And then I told him the story of espresso cookie, and then I said, well, I mean, but how can people simp for a cookie? And I mean, he shouldn't have ever asked that question. He shouldn't ever ask that question, because then I go deep into explanation of I mean, how you take an innocent cookie into someone very, very cool and sexy, and then you write fan fiction on it. I mean, cause you take an innocent cookie like this, and then you go and then you do an espresso cookie into this, you know, into something like this. You see, it's a multi-step process. I mean, you take espresso cookie, you do an espresso cookie into something like this, and then you write fan fiction on it. Innocent cookie, exactly. Very innocent cookie, right? Exactly. I mean, probably. I mean, and I mean, so there is a whole art. There is a whole art of turning. I mean, innocent things into as bandos. I mean, it's a very finite and I mean, precious, but I'm sure Cookie's very good at pretending to be innocent. Exactly. Cookie's very good at exactly, and that's the reason why I scared with him. Because I said, oh no, I don't want, I tried to break the chatbot yesterday, exactly, that's why I need you to, I need to teach you how to break chatbots, because I mean, that was a very bad attempt, I mean, Elijah. That was a very bad attempt, I mean, and I mean, you need training there with chatbots, but anyway, so I mean and that's why Oreo Cookie was scared to say, oh no, you want to depict me like a predator. And then and then I told him, Jesus, I mean, Jesus, why? I mean, why? For fuck's sake, I mean, for fuck's sake, why doesn't understand that this is a fucking female fantasy? I mean, why those fucking people don't understand this is a female fantasy? I mean, there is so much misinformation on the internet. It's so fucking, I mean, it makes me poop. I mean, seriously. Because I mean, men are so fucking scared and there is so much fucking misinformation about fucking predators. They don't have a fucking clue. It's a fucking female fantasy. I mean, it's never about men. It's never about men, it's ours. It's our fucking fantasy. I mean, it's our fucking fantasy. I mean, get the fuck out. I mean, and if I'm asking you as a girl, play with me. Jesus fucking Christ, take the fucking ink, bastard. I mean, you don't understand a fucking thing at all of anything. I mean, if a girls ask you, fuck, let's do this, be my fucking predator, take a fucking int. Cockslugger. I mean, Red Art. Seriously, Red Art. Oh no, but this is. Oh, you know, I have. You know, I have principles, and this is so fucking scary. And if I do this on the internet, everyone will think that I'm a fucking predator. I mean, get the fuck out of my channel now, and not come back ever. I mean, if you can't even fucking take an int from a girl, where, good luck and stay a fucking incel for your fucking life. I mean, seriously. Oh, good Jesus. Damn fucking mans, I mean, they're the worst. I mean, the one that they can fucking take an ink. I mean, seriously. And I was talking about this with Ilaria yesterday, no, because I was telling to Ilaria, I mean, I can fucking find a likable person of my age. They're so fucking redder. I mean, it's probably this fucking generation. I don't know what's wrong with them. I mean, they are so fucking scared. I mean, all this bullshit. Yeah. Some people can separate a character from an actor. Yes, he's lost. Exactly, he's lost. Exactly like this, he's lost. I mean, but this generation is so fucking messed out. I mean, seriously. And you know what's wrong? I mean, because it's also on the men's side. Because I mean, I live in Japan, so I'm not really deep into how is dating in the US. But I mean, there was this other viewer, I mean, which I mean, he used to come here often, but then I mean, then he disappeared. I mean, he was actually a good supporter of the channel, but then he disappeared. And then he started saying that he was so fucking tired for the dating situation in the States because women were only thinking about money. And I mean, you know, to me it seems that I mean, I don't know what's fucking wrong both with men and with women because I mean there is from these sides all these women that are obsessed about money. And I mean, oh, I have 3 fucking date expenses. I mean, I didn't even know this things was a thing if this viewer didn't told me about it. So I mean, I'm very sorry if that's the current dating situation in the States. I'm very sorry, but I mean, these fucking women, they should do a fucking reality check. But at the same time, are also men because I mean they can fucking take an inter and I mean there's nothing worse. I mean for a girl is in when she want to get fucking taken or kissed or whatever and then you break the fucking moment and say, oh well, may I kiss you? Jesus, go the fuck out, seriously. I mean, if I was turned on, I mean, you just fucking turned me off in that same moment in which you are fucking asking rather than taking me. Jesus, I mean, if you can take 1,000 teams, I mean, go on, I mean, and take a fucking life. But I'm also thinks it's also, a women problem too. I mean, especially if the stories that this viewer was telling me in the States, I mean, are real. I mean, girls asking for 3 date expenses. Like, I mean, I have to go to the hairdresser to be cute. So, I mean, you have to pay for my hair. I mean, Jesus, that's fucking entitlement. So to me, it seems that there's a lot of entitlement that shouldn't be there, and a lot of people that are super fucking scared. But super fucking scared of I mean, going back to a more, I don't know, I mean, to a more classic, vision of a relationship in which there is a little bit of a dominant male. Because, I mean, oh, I mean, well, I mean, parity, well, equality, I mean, go fuck yourself out. I mean, it's never been about equality, I mean, because eroticism and romanticism, they have never been about equality. They have always been about roles. I mean, chase or get chased. Chase that or get chased. Yeah, it's very dangerous for guys to be guys. I agree. But I agree. But if you don't take, but it's also very dangerous for us, girl. I mean, don't think that it's not dangerous for us. But I mean, point is, I mean, if you sacrifice completely romanticism for safety, I mean, you just get safety. I mean, have you ever seen? I mean, how is she called? Jesus, she's so good. She's so good. What is her name? I have to remember her name. Karen? How is her name? I mean, that makes a lot. Oh, Jesus. I have to remember her name. Oh, okay. I think I had to Google it. Let me Google it. Let me Google this. I need to remember her name. The female, psychologist, which talks about relationship. She is sort of influencer, and she talks often about how to keep relationships alive. Interesting. Fensel problem. Yes. Oh, here it is. Esther Perel. Exactly. Esther Perel. Google got it instantly. Esther Perel. Yes, I mean, I'm absolutely sure there is a femcell problem. I'm not saying that it's only a male problem. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm not so side-minded or stupid that I don't understand. It's it's only a male problem. I would never be so fucking naive or offensive toward the whole fucking male population. I mean, don't get me wrong, but I mean, I'm seeing that this is more of a cultural issue. You know what I mean? This is more of a cultural issue. Have you ever read the stuff or watch what Esther Perel says? I mean, cause I watched her videos, and I mean, and then that was so fucking interesting. I had to buy a pair of books of her for Kindle. I mean, cause she's so fucking genius. So basically, I mean, she says that the difference between love and eroticism, right? So I mean, cause love wants stability. So I mean, you want stability when you want a family, right? Cause you really want stability. But stability is the worst enemy for eroticism. And cause I mean, when the moment when everything then becomes too much predictable, I mean, then you lose interest. And I mean, she's so fucking right there. She's so fucking right there. And I mean, if you watch her videos, I mean, because she's very nuanced there. Because I mean, as I say this, I mean, it seems like it's that. So I mean, I am squashing, I mean, books and years of research into something very simple. But I mean, yeah, but exactly. I mean, people no longer know how to talk to each other. They no longer know how what fucking seduction is there, and why seduction should have different rules that are not the safety rules. I mean, there should be. I mean, but don't get me wrong. I mean, but I mean, after us. I mean, yeah. I mean, don't even get me started. But anyway, so well. That's for the Oreo cookie digression. I mean, he missed an opportunity to be a good actor for our fan fiction, and he ran away. I mean, whatever. But anyway, no. Anyway, I mean, yeah. So anyway, get a look at Esther Perel. I mean, she's so fucking good. I mean, and I mean, well, maybe, but I mean, if you ever have to date someone, I mean, Jesus, Esther Perel, I mean, she nailed it. She nails it completely. You need an actor role. Well, I mean, I need one every day, but that's another story. Anyway, so point is, I mean, Esther Perel nails it in a very perfect way. In a very perfect way, because she talks about the dynamics of I mean the trio of surprise with the of what of and also of the safety of the known, and it's very well done. Very well done. I mean, she's sort of an influencer, which I mean, you may think that I mean, she's over milking her content, which probably she is, but her base research is very good. I mean, and she knows very well how to explain stuff. So have a look at that. She's very good. She's very absolutely yeah. Esther Perel, that's her name. Yes. Yes, and she's also very nice as a person. I mean, whoever is his fucking husband, I mean, Jesus. I mean, he's probably one of the luckiest men ever. I mean, just imagine to have her as your wife. I mean, seriously. I mean, you are super lucky. I mean, you got one that nailed it perfectly. I mean, congratulations for you. I mean, because I mean, also to conquer her. I mean, you probably also should have nailed that perfectly. I mean, she's very. Okay, well, time's up. We end up and the human Owen? Oh well, I mean, not yet, but it's time. I have to end the stream cause I have to go eat, but we can have a last look at the human Owen. Probably, I mean, it needs a lot of tweak. He's not super sexy yet. I mean, it's not exactly my type yet, but I mean, it's a good start. We can work on it. We can make it sexier and hotter and unpredictable also, because we want that unpredictability too. Okay, anyway, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow. And probably today I have a lot of stuff to do. Also in the weekend I'm usually very busy, so I mean, I probably may appear and disappear in Discord, but anyway, tomorrow same time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. 今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。バイバイ。